We did it, man. We friggin' did it, chat. Episode 523.5. Sorry. Hey, man. It worked out. It freaking worked out. But now I'm scared. I'm probably going to get another subscription to... I think I still have the subscription to Epidemic Music. I got like a year of it. So I'm going to go check that out after stream today, whatever. And I'll be able to play like music that is completely okay. Unfortunately, like dude, when you get copyright struck by Fish and nugs.net, the marijuana's people, okay? Remember the marijuana's people? Is that a joint? Dude, I can't take chances anymore, all right? So, dude, Pog. So much Pog. And thank you all so much for inquiring on my behalf. We freaking did it, man. Hype in the chat, dude. Pog's in the chat. Bitcoin in the chat. All right, Bitcoin 77.34, down 2.73%, down $216. Happy to have all of you with me on this. Don't call it a comeback, because we've only been gone for 2.5 days, man, but we freaking did it. Yeah, Fish. It wasn't Fish themselves. It was people that own the rights to Fish's live music, I guess. And then they copyright striked me, and here we are. Thank God, man. Thank God it wasn't like... Think about what happened if it was like real time. If it was like one of the big people, like, Warner Music, we would never had a chance. We'd have never had a chance in heck, man. All right, so, dude, this feels so good, dude. Yeah, we can't risk it, man. We cannot risk it. The TA is too important. But it is currently raining for Bitcoin a little bit, right? If you're down $216, it is, I believe, warranted to say that we could have a little rain trickling down. All right, you see the clouds in the background, man? We friggin' did it, man. I just can't believe I'm still like... Oh my God, man. But it was still... I guess it was cool to see like what was going to happen on Twitch. Like, it was decent, man. Last night was so much fun. We had so much fun. Can someone inform... you know what? I'm going to inform Cobman the King, dude. All right? I'm going to inform him right now. He might... I don't know if he's here or not. Dude, that is so... I feel so lucky. I feel so freaking lucky, dude. Hold on, man. I'm trying to... There's a lot of craziness going on right now. Again, with Bitcoin bouncing off some sort of May 14th, double May 14th and May 16th and May 20th level, right? I mean, you really bounced off a candle high close, a peak back from May 12th. I mean, that's literally where it bounced, but we don't know because dude, you're below 77.60 until you break back above 77.60. I don't care at all. I see it. I see a 60-minute beautiful looking, bullish pin bar or hammer developing. But it's a 60-minute, man. That's it, dude. So, good news, I guess, that we didn't just keep dumping, but you're below all three moving average on the 60-minute. That's not really good, man. All right. You just joined on Twitch for the first time, and now I'm here, Joe. Yeah, dude. We lucked out. This community is incredible. I think there were just overwhelming amounts of inquiries about getting the channel unstruck. Because, like, what did I do, really? Oh, I played a Fish song, dude. Okay. So... We're back, man. The bigger you are, the more S people look for. Yeah, and so, like, I feel like it could have been a multitude of things that really made the wheels start turning on me getting copyright striked, like crazy people and stuff, but, hey, man, whatever. It doesn't matter. They can't hurt us anymore, okay? Because we're going to look at this like an experience where, man, we got really lucky, and we're going to learn from it. And grow, keep growing. And we're going to make our way to 10,000 subs before Bitcoin gets to $10,000. All right, we're going to do it, man. We're back on track. Okay. Twitch will ban you for not being loyal to them. Fortunately, I didn't become a verified partner yet, a real Twitch partner. I'm an affiliate partner, but not a regular, real, confirmed partner. I would have been if I'd have streamed for 11 more days over there, but do I really care if I'm... This is where the audience is. This is where people are looking for, live crypto stuff or just technical analysis. So, man, dude, I have the sub goal. Oh my God, I was off by 5 subs, man. Thanks for the 510 people here. We back, man. We back, man. Dude, man, I'm sorry about all the gifted subs. You sent out like 10 gifted subs last night, Manimal, but it's just like, it happens, dude. Dude, y'all the same.
Welcome back.
Same TTS. Pablo, dude, thanks, dude, for the welcome back. Dude, hold on. Let me see here. Let me see if this is copyright. If there's no copyright at all, I'll play it, okay? I'm talking if there's anything. I don't even know how the F it could happen. All right, let me see. Hold on. Let me see if there's anything. There is. Okay, not playing it. Dang it, dude. This is so stupid. I wanted to play Welcome Back, Mr. Cotter, okay? But I can't. I can't do it, man. Too much risk. Dude, it really does cripple your ability to entertain, like when you can't play music, man. It really does. Okay. What's up, Kiki, man? All right, chat. Thank y'all. Okay. Yeah, there's no point, Larly. There's no point. Because what's going to happen is I'll become partner and then nothing, like I never get back on Twitch ever again unless I get banned. And then at that point, it's just like, then I'll be banned for 90 days for real if it ever happened, which I will do everything in my power to make sure it doesn't happen. But at that point, you know, whatever, dude. It's no big deal. I could play the piano. Yeah, dude. No, I don't really know. Hey, Bradford, I could fly him out and he could just play the piano in the background or the guitar. Bradford's a musician, man, if you didn't know. So what was that? Break hook and... Give me a sec, dude. Larly, break hook and go on the descending triangle. Where at? Anyway. So yeah, we holding 7,500, dude. I'm still like right now, so much emotion, and I know we don't like emotion here, but sometimes when it doesn't come to trading, emotion comes. It happens, man, and it's like pogs, so many pogs, man. You think you can play classical music? It's so old. It's no copyright. Brad, can we get some verification? Oh yeah, Twitter post. I need to tweet the peoples. And I really need to get rid of, like, the pinned post of me copyright struck. All right, let me go real quick. Dude, this is nuts. Okay, I'm going to delete this post. There's just no point anymore. Okay, and I'm going to delete this post. No point in having these. Right, Nog, man.
Welcome back, TA Jesus. One stream to rule them all.
Dude, holy crap. Thank you, Brian, or B&B Bozo, dude. B&B Ozo. Which one is it? Is it B&B Bozo, like Binance Ozo, or is it like I've been Bozo? Which one is it, dude? It could be, you could have been bamboozled, dude. What's up, Abdul? Sorry, y'all. I'm doing stuff I have to do. I just literally was live and found out. As soon as I found out, I went straight over here. So it's like, if I'm not providing content, I'm sorry. Dude, come on. If you were me in this situation and this all happened, good stuff, man.
Missing the emojis, my man, but welcome back.
Dude, Kosh P, man, thank you for the $5 super chat. The Ethereum Connect in the jar. Oh, I missed it, man. I missed it. All the cryptocurrency, like, emojis. You know, we were just getting the Twitch bits and all that. So, hold on. I got this, dude. Sorry, man. This is nuts. This is freaking nuts. The copyright strike has been lifted. I'm back live streaming on my main YouTube channel, and I posted. That seems good, right? All right, here we go. Boom, posted. Posted, man. All right, dude. It's so weird with that music, though, right? Isn't it? It's like, yes, I'm live on YouTube. Peter Piper over on Twitch. Sorry for the abrupt ending on Twitch, man. It was a pretty good episode. We were going into it, and then it just like that stuff. What's up, BitMax Trades? Type in no copyright music on YouTube. Yeah, dude, it still sometimes is copyright, and a lot of times it's terrible. All right, so we could just do. This is an old classic favorite of mine. Let me see if there's any sort of copyright. No copyright at all. It's from Johann Strauss. This is one of my faves, dude. It's a good one. Thanks for the 700 people nearly tuned in right now. Y'all are amazing. It's been a crazy couple days.
Here is a little beat. Boots and cats and 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 boots and cats. Happy Bitcoin Pizza Day, gangs.
Thanks, Logos, for the 3-day 3 evading core. Tron connects in the jar. Galore, dude.
Hey, hey, hey. Wonderful. Welcome home. We are so happy for you and the whole family. You'll find the best music that won't get us in trouble. Guy who told you that you were on again was an angel. Thanks to him.
Yeah,
too.
Rip, man.
Angel
It was
watching over Mitch.
it was Rip on Twitch told me about it, dude. Here it comes the crescendo, chat. Oh my god, man. Dude, we can't get copyright strike with it. I'm sorry. Emperor's Waltz, Strauss? No way, dude. Not happening. I could hire a live Mexican band to play. Yeah, I could do that. Definitely do that. A lot of things, man. Nice beat, right? Rojo? Exactly. Thank you all for finding me again, all right? Or just coming in to say hi, all right? Sorry, and I haven't even engaged with it, chat at all, but look, man, we go to Ethereum. I mean, we looked at this already on Twitch, but hey, we're back. All right, so look, it was like the triangle or downsloping channel. You broke it and could not sustain prices above it, and then you dumped, right? And you've fallen below the 200 moving average on the 60-minute, all the moving averages, and so you're actually back testing the 200 as a resistance now. You use it as support, then you broke it, now you're hooking off of it. You know, pretty weak, man, on the RSI. You're at 37, so that means you could sell off some more, and you beginning to start getting oversold, but whatever, man. All right, so big deal, man. Falling below 77.60, or sorry, this is Ethereum falling below. It's $248, right? So we go to the 4 hour. Whoops, that's the 3 hour. Okay. Look left, pretty important at 255. All right, where we are right now is below critical overhead old resistance. It should have been support. You're below it. So I don't, you know, it could take a minute for us to back test this and stuff, but we should see 237.94. This is confirmed. All right. If we stay confirmed below this horizontal line, support should have been a support. And then after that, you got 230, and then 220, and then after that, 185. So breaking below, I think 230 or 220 is going to be real bad for Ethereum, but that's okay, man. We're at 246, so it'll be nice to see Bitcoin's bullish conditions bring us back up. But it's not happening yet. 56 seconds left on the 60-minute candle, right? And then 1 hour left until our daily close. You missed the emojis, man? Cash P? Sorry, I didn't see the TTS. Yeah, dude. I missed those too. They were a lot of fun, man. A lot of pogs and all that in the chat, alright? So XRP. Remember, we did a static video on this today, so... You know, you had the anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and beautiful heartline resistance, 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 and then we sold off, then we made a lower high than our previous high, and then we dumped, man, all right? And it was like there was this kind of buy wall here, and then you broke it, and you're really bouncing off 36.871 cents. Look left, that's horizontal line support back from April, early April, and that's it so far. You don't want to break below this area here. You don't want to, man, at all. You've got like 36.27 cents, but right after that, man, like 35. I mean, there's some support there, I guess. Looks like 35 cents. It's another one, but after 35 cents, you're going straight down to 33 cents, 32 cents, all right? Right, and you know, we talk about descending triangles or any kind of pattern for that matter. It's a game of probabilities, not certainties, and you draw the pattern, and then you look at the measure move on both sides just in case something happened where it did run to the upside, then broke out. Remember, like Bitcoin dominance chart, we were prepared for a dump or a pump, man, and we went to the pump side and we hit the measure move perfectly of an inherently bearish pattern. Doesn't matter though, probabilities, man. Anyway, man, hope you're enjoying the music. If you are enjoying the music, the strike being uplifted, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Oh my god, man, feels good. Feels good, man. You've been blocked because you played Strauss, Emperor's Waltz.
Can you bump off SoundCloud? I think that might be RF. Also, check out TNT. It was a TT pick.
Thanks, Brookolinos, for the threes. Try the Rex and the $2 super chat, man. Gangs, man. Jeez, dude. How about that, man? How about that? Yeah, TNT. That's crazy, man. Well, it has support like Wax. Wax did something similar, not as good, right, at all. But this is TNT. What is it up right now? It was up way, way more, dude. It's called Tyrion. It's up 22% roughly right now. What's up, man?
Is that a joint?
SoundCloud. Please, see your Discord.
Yeah. I actually still have your subscription. Alright, I'll look at it, dude. Holy crap, man. Stay damn dad. It's a celebration. Dude, if you do asterisks or you curse, I think it blocks it and doesn't let it say it. Dude, thank you for the $23.14 of freaking Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency contribution. Much love, dude. Thank you, May. Dude, stay at home dad, like, the night I got struck, he tipped a whole Ethereum and a whole Litecoin. So crazy. What's up, the network lord? Sorry, man. We're not on Twitch anymore, dude. Thank y'all. And something just happened before that. I don't even know. I'm freaking out right now. A lot of stuff happening. This YouTube sucks really bad, Nathaniel? I guess so, man. But it wasn't even about YouTube. I mean, yeah, it sucks. YouTube, like, their policy is if someone, like, throws a claim against you, like, manually, they will take down your video and you will get copyright striked, and then that's it. You're done for 90 days unless the person that claimed the copyright strike against you, unless they retract it, and they did retract it, and that's why we're safe. I didn't even talk to YouTube. I never even thought about talking to YouTube. It was all Nugsnet. It was their power to do something. All right, and they did it, and we're very grateful. Nugs.net, check them out, man. If you like live jam bands, they go around, and seriously, man, I didn't even know they existed till I got banned. They still have a great freaking service, man. Like what they do. If you like Grateful Dead, I wouldn't do it if you like Widespread. Widespread's free, but they go around, like, follow these jam bands and, like, record them with HD quality. It's really cool. But anyway, here is TNT, man. Look what it did. It hit this September 10th, 2018 low and gone, dude. Ran up to 800 sats. Pump and dump, though, dude. Look, it's already lost half its value from the high. What's up, Carlos, man? Okay. So Triangle just... Sorry, man. Too much support here, I guess, right? They were waiting. They were definitely waiting. But hey, from your high point up, from your high to your low, what did we do? We only ran up and hit a 38% retrace finally, dude. We could never sustain prices above a 23% retrace. Now we at least hit the golden zone. The golden zone between 784 and 1130. Hit it and pull back. So there you go. Back to peasantry for TNT. Pumpy dumpy. All right. So that's it, man. Jeez. You like the music, dude? Yeah. I actually got a year subscription to Nugsnet because of what they do. Again, it was like really bad situation, and it's not like, I think they just do it, like they just do that, man. All right, people stealing stuff and literally posting it as their own. Like, we just use it as background music, right? Where there are other people that will just, take that music, create a YouTube channel, and then post that music, and then you know, try to become partner on YouTube and then start get monetization from it. And so that's like really messed up. But we don't do that. We just play in the background. It's like very peripheral. So it's not like we're doing anything. What's up, Freedom for All? Thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. I don't even know what that is, dudes. Digby Chicken, man. Sorry. XRP down 5% today. Excuse me, burping. And yeah, the 60-minute closed about 6 minutes ago. Bitcoin still below 77.60. Nice bullish pin bar on the 60-minute, but might not manifest into anything. Okay. That's right, Safe Harbor. We're bad, man. Adam, yeah, that's because Twitch like will stream me on 1080p, 60 FPS, and I don't even think YouTube has pure 60 FPS 1080p yet. Okay, so you want to like it's better quality over there, but dude, there's a lot of the audience is not there, man. Okay, it never sounded so good, man. All right, Nathaniel, we did it, dude. Hey, Eddie Fisher, what's up, man? Yes, the copyright strike was removed. Yes, I know people are just trickling in and stuff. And can't believe it. I can't believe it at all, man. And thanks for the 274 likes, dude. Like spike, baby. Oh my god. Freaking out. Bradford, it very well may have. I didn't check. Okay, it could have said Nugsnet on the description. I never checked it. And I'll check it after stream to verify. But that playlist or whatever, that one long, like 2-hour jam mashup, it very well could have had their name in the description. I just didn't see it. Okay, so and so like I worry about these songs sucking. That's the issue, dude. Okay, the royalty free music. So I've got to like off stream figure that out. Okay, what happened? 5K Impossible, Eduardo, dude. Thanks, Greg Williams, dude, for the $10 super chat, man.
Good to see you back, Mitch.
Well, good to see you back. Good to see all y'all, man. Because we were over on Twitch. We were like, I think last night we got up to like 370 viewers. But that was, dude, I mean, that's like less than half of y'all. So, did I watch Chernobyl on Monday? I sure did, Leo. Of course. Dude, I was like, I couldn't wait, man. Dude, Chernobyl is amazing. It's so freaky, though. I actually was so freaked out to watch it again. I just, ugh. Matic down 20+% or something today, right? Matic Connect. Dude, you just don't understand. It's going to overtake Bitcoin, man. It's Matic, man. Do you not understand Matic? Is it fallen below the 50% retrace? It looks like it hasn't moved at all from that 50% retrace. It's probably the same spot, isn't it? Let me try it real quick. Low points. Low high points. Okay, yeah, it's like you fell, like where we were, it was like right at that 50%, and now just going sideways. So you're probably going to go to the 50 moving average at like 1.8 cents, okay? The golden retrace is right around that area too, and if you don't hold that, hey man, guess what? There's no support. Even let's be real, okay? This is trash support anyway, all right? But it's the only kind of support you have that you built in such a short period of time. So you should expect in time to see 15 or 1.5 cents. But there's always a chance, man. You know what happens? We run up after these crazy runs, we sell off, we retrace, and then we'll rally again to make a lower high, a double top, or a slightly higher high with extreme amounts of bearish divergence. And then at that point, we have a much better form of confirmation that this thing's going to dump hard, okay? So, whatever, man. You want to play with high flyers, okay, but you might get one more rally, one scrubby lower high rally, and then dump again, okay, to lower lows. What's up, Chaz Garcia, man? Glad you made it. Glad all of you made it. Thanks for the 819 people tuned in right now. Just looking at Matic Connect. It's been the, what do we call it? The flavor of the second coin. Yeah, that's what it's been for just a little while. All right. So you can play old video games on, dude. Dude, I've like watched videos on copyright strikes and stuff, and actually, they can get you for like 8 seconds of stuff. I don't know, like when I got copyright strike, a bunch of people sent me a bunch of videos on other content creators getting screwed, and then I was watching them, and I'm like, oh my god, dude, there's so much stuff that you can get screwed for. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if that's true on the video game stuff. BitConnect 2.0 watermark missing on the charts. Do not touch it. It's not that. It's just it was hidden, dude. Let me show you. Let me show you. It's still there, man. Okay. Where is it? Dude. Oh, I think it's only visible on 4 hour. We gotta change that. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, look. BitConnect 2.0 is a huge scam. Do not touch it, no matter what. And we might as well just make it a scrolling thing, like a scrolling text up in the top or something, so people just don't think about it. Zach, yeah, no ban anymore. It got uplifted. Okay, I was warned, and we are now kings again. I am verified on Brave Browser SDAC. I'm verified on my YouTube and Twitch channel, not my MitchRayTA.com, but because I don't have the keys to it, because I have someone that managed it for me. But it's all good. Hey, what's up, Ross, man? RTR, dude. RMFT, right? Okay. What happened to this one? Man, this one's holding on. Holding on. Should expect maybe see more. Something I liked. This was like a setup, and it's a daily time scale thing I was looking at it. I really don't know, but what's up, TVG Games Company? Thanks for joining me. Wax Connect, man. Wax Connect, that, right, look at, this is the spring, right? You just had that small, less than 5% drop from your previous lows, and we ran up and sold off. Now we're making a higher low on the daily than our previous low. I know we're not breaking the 20 moving average yet, and we're about to get a death cross, and that's cool, but these are the areas where men are made, okay, that these critical support levels, as you just saw, man, with TNT, same stuff. Like, it hit the support and then was gone up to the 382 before pulling back. Because he's probably a Telegram, man. I mean, straight up. Do you really think that TNT was, like, doing something besides just bouncing off support and then being pumped and dumped? I mean, that's it, dude. I'm back. Mr. Gonzalez, that's right, dude. The sound of silence. I don't know, man. I could probably throw on some more, but I don't even know what some of these songs are, dude, so they're just classical. Let me make sure there's no copyright people. Nope, this is all good stuff, man. 1867, this song was created. Johann Strauss II. The Blue Danube Waltz, alright. We have been unchained. James Gore, thanks for joining, dude. Thanks for the sub. It's so crazy, man. Like, all this stuff has happened. Alright. But don't worry, man. I will consolidate and we'll get some better music and we'll make sure it's all legit. And there's no way in heck I can get, like, copyright struck because of it, okay? We know we can't with 1867 music, but it's classical, so it's not, like, good. They made music to make money, Vet Bro? Yes. So what does that mean? Are we screwed? Is Johann, his, like, great-great-grandson's gonna come get me, dude? It'll be, like, triple great. Oh, man, sorry, I haven't really engaged with chat at all. Sorry, there's been a lot going on, and just happy to be here on YouTube again. Holy crap, dude. It's super scary. Neil C. What's up, Danny H. Edwin M. What's up, Christian? Hello, Bjorn. XRP Carolina. Dang, dude. A lot of good people up in here. Okay. Spencer, Kevin C. Tom S. Hey, man. Francisco HR or HR777. Sean 88. We made it, man. Yes, we did. So the station, Gaming Crypto, K-Puff. Dude, all y'all up in here, man. Thank you for being here. So much chat. Can't get it all. Play some dude, have you heard free electronic music? Or music without copyright that's electronic? Most of it's terrible, dude. Okay. Really. The recording is copyright, even though it doesn't say it anywhere. It says it nowhere in the description. Wait, maybe not, dude. Maybe I'm not going to play it, because actually, I scrolled down more, and there is some sort of... Yeah, I'm not messing with it, dude.
You did not give permission to play my waltz. Look at Tesla and I shall let this slide.
Okay, Johan, dude. And I won't play it anymore, because I'm scared, dude. I'm paranoid, man. I'm freaking paranoid. Tesla Connect. We did a static video today on this, a stock market analysis of Tesla. This is cool, dude. So falling wedge pattern, broke out of it bearishly. The measure move of the pattern's down at 143. What? I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. Yeah, well, you better start getting used to it. Tesla has broken critical support back from February, April, and October. Well, this was March, February 2017, and this was April 2018, October 2018. And once you broke it, man, we knew it was going to happen. 1272 smashed it. 1414. Well, we said 200, but then we smashed 200, and now we're closing the day at 192.63. And again, next target, if we can't sustain prices above 193, would be 180. And if you can't hold 180, well, dude, you're screwed. 180 is like it, dude. I mean, you got the 1618 at 165, okay. All right, fib extension, but, dude, the support resistances and stuff, dude, after 180, it's like straight down to 143. Are you ready for that if you're a Tesla long? Dude, that's not good, man. That's really, really not good. We actually, look, I mean, it made a lower high than our previous highs before it. I mean, what do you call that? On any broadening pattern? Well, we can't call it actually a partial rise, because on partial rises, you must first touch the bottom of the pattern and then run up and then fail. You can't just bounce off a support in the middle of the pattern and then run up and then not make it. That's not a partial rise. So anyway, most likely come down to 180. All right, from where we are right now, unless you just decide to rally off the 193, 141.4% fib extension from this low to high to get those targets. Okay, I'm just like, dude, I can't believe this, man. Everything is so screwed, man. All right, good God, all this music, dude. It's giving me a new outlook on life, man. Okay, stop and smell the Johann Strauss the second. All right. You remember when you could watch any full movie and TV show on here? Dude, that was a long time ago. They got rid of that with algos years ago. Be careful with class. Yeah, careful with everything, man. Getting copyright struck from Johann Strauss, man. Okay. Well, at least I know for a fact the song I played before was not copyright at all. Like, nowhere. Because, look, if it doesn't show the copyright in the description, the algorithms can't pick it up. Because that's how they do it. It's like, it's content ID. So you have a content ID, and it's labeled in a description, and then that's how the algos find it. So if it wasn't there, then they can't find it. Retail guy connect, job, and dude, I guess you got to be really, really retail to not be kind of sketched with Tesla, the way they do things, man. Okay. It's like, if you can barely understand or you can't understand how they make profit or revenue, yeah, man, you got to be mindful of that and be at least skeptical, if not just downright cynical. Okay. Can you send the rest of the Twitch S coins you bought to tip with here on YouTube, Joe Lewis? If not, can you dump them on BitConnect? Yeah, you can dump them on BitConnect if you want, dude. Whatever that means. I don't know, man. All right. Oh my God. Hey, we could do this though. It sounds a lot better now, right? Way better, right? Oh yeah. Dude, stop changing it to green. Whoever's on Twitch, cut it out, man. Cabo. Yeah, BTT Connect hit a 100% retrace and then sold off. That's what happened. It did. It hit a what was it? A 1272 fib extension? No, 1618 before bouncing on the double bottom. Yeah, double bottomed at a 1618 fib extension. Jesus.
As a pro musician, I can tell you the creation date doesn't matter. If a song was written in 1857 but recorded by the Boston Pops in 2010, they own the rights to the sound recording. Classical music is not safe unless the recording is 50 years old.
But if it's not in the description that it is copywritten by somebody, the algorithms cannot pick it up. It's content ID. So how could they get me if it's not in the actual description, right? So everything is, though. All of them. Anything that's copyright on YouTube has that ID. So this one does have it. The one I was just playing, the blue Donabu Waltz, and that's like the one that everyone knows. People didn't know it was Johann Strauss, the second that plays it, but you all heard the song. But Emperor's Waltz didn't have anything on it. So we'll see, man. We'll see if we get... Okay, do you think they're going to be like Nugsnet, and they're going to literally be like, hey, time to copyright strike this dude, okay, man? Yeah, I guess. Hey, we won't play it. How about that, Stephen Wright? We won't do it. Also,
is that a join?
Thanks for the 420, dude. Gangs. want to say, man? Dude, it's just, we'll consolidate. We'll get it together, all right? So much for that clip, Julia, if you're in here. All right, doesn't really work or apply. Didn't age well. I'll tell you that. Did not age well. Play Enter Sandman, that's exactly what we should play. Okay. We'll play no copyright sound, yes, on the next stream. I got to consolidate and figure it out for myself, okay? I got to, like, do this off stream and figure, oh, this sounds like crap. Yeah, because most non-copyright songs are terrible, okay? So I'll find the ones that don't sound as bad and just loop them. Oh, yeah. So still holding 77.07. I mean, dude, if you could get a close on the 4 hour, 38 minutes left above 77.60, I will be ecstatic. I won't even be able to, I'm be like, oh my God, man, really? What a fake out. What a crazy fake out. BTT though, this is BTT. Oh, so thanks for the follow on Twitch, whoever that is. BTT Connect with a double bottom with the bullish divergence. Look what it manifested into. Absolute ridiculousness, all right? Ran up all the way to all, actually exceeded all-time highs from February 5th from, you know, its highest high, BTT. Look what happens when you break down subbing resistance too, man. Big time. Big Kang's doing things. What's up, Kevin? Thanks for the sub, man. AKMK. Hold on, I'll wait for it. So far, how much have we retraced? From your low point to high point? 38% of the way. And you've fallen below the 20 moving average, so chances are you're probably going to come down to whatever that is. That's 99.82% of 1 cent. Oh my God. Where do you think Bitcoin will stop? Where will it stop, man? I mean, dude, let's get some confirmation with 37 minutes left, okay? Where do I think it'd stop? I mean, you would hope it would never fall below 7,400, because if it falls below 7,400, you always run the risk of running into 7,070, or if the horizontal line support, the next one is 6,800. But, you know, 7,000 could play a psychological role, but it may not be the strongest support. But, you know, look, 77, 60, you got to scroll left to see it right here, okay? June 4th, 2018, you're below it now. And you understand, right? You have to understand there is no more support breaking this until 7,400. So the fact that we're below it is not really good. You got to get back above it. All right, man. That's about it. So it could stop at 7,400, 7,000, or it could stop at 6,800. Okay, so Big Connect 2.0 is a huge scam. Do not touch it unless you want to get screwed. 1950s Met Opera recording. Yeah, we get a live band. That would be perfect, dude. Live band. What's up, Lord Buttocks? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Sorry that you didn't get the memo. That's okay, man. TA more important than music? You say that, dude, but music is a big part of, like, this show, man. That's like saying Sopranos dialogue is more important than the music played. No, the Sopranos, like, maybe it was so good because of how they were able to implement, like, copyright music into that. And, of course, they got the rights to it, but I'm just saying, right? It's not just all about the show, or just the acting, or just the me talking, or just the TA. It's a bunch of different things that are combined together that makes, it's coinciding variables that makes this show good, man. All right? And music's part of it. So we'll figure it out, though. Don't worry about it. Are you shook, Shane? Are you shook? Don't get shook, man. All right? Just understand there's a potentially much larger pattern developing, and we have shown rejection below 75.38. Like, we can't fall below it. I mean, that's just a May 12th low, and you're just rallying, but not doing much, man. Not really doing much. I mean, hey, great news, 60-minute bullish pin bar or hammer. All right. Hey, dude, it's like, I don't know, man. Like, we can play copyright music all day, but it's just, like, what's going to happen, man? You know, I know all the songs we could play that we did not get copyright striked on, but we did get copyright claimed. And a claim, there's nothing wrong. You don't have to do anything. No big deal. You just can't monetize all that. But, dude, I just don't know, man. Like, is it worth it? What's up, Crypto Doggy Man? Let me see if this song actually has it. Thanks, John D. Welcome. I want to see if this has anything in this description. Probably does, so I'm not going to play it. But, okay. No, there's no copyright at all. Nothing on the content ID. Perfect. Yep, there's absolutely nothing. Okay, we're good. What's up, C. Vander Pole? Yes, Nico, the CME gap is around 7120, 7180, whatever it is, okay? Yes. Dude, Bobby, I know I'm not, comparing it to Sopranos, because it's like, I could have said any show. I just, right off the top of my head, it's like, Sopranos wouldn't be the same without the music. Right? It's just it's like me bringing a point up. I'm not saying like this show is anything as good or even close to Sopranos. I'm just saying, I'm making a point. That's it, dude. So you can read into it like I'm trying to say, I'm the Sopranos dude, but I'm not. I'm not saying that. Yeah, XLM. It was like this early in the 60 minute. It broke the channel. Where is it? Where's my channel, dude? Or was it 88? Oh, I think it's like we just didn't update it. There we go. It's like these are all the same. All these assets on the 60 minute look about the same. Where they had a falling wedge. They ran up. Like 88 hit its 50% retrace. Sold off and it dumped, man. It dumped, but it's not too bad yet. Not too bad. But that's a lower high than your previous high, isn't it? Oh god, can we there you go. Freestyle. Dude, I freestyle the TA all the time, man. Yeah, you think so, Dream Server? Based on... This is not risky at all. There's no content ID on this. It's nothing. There's no copyright. Nothing. YouTube new live settings mutes copyright. That'd be amazing. That'd be awesome because then no one would ever get a copyright strike, dude. That's what YouTube does, or that's what Twitch does already. Can you confirm that, Moral Gandhi? Please give me something. Oh yeah. Cryptopic says Cryptopia exit scam owner is already launching another exchange, has crippled Electronium. Might even arrow for it. Okay, Cryptopia, big scam. Don't ever mess with them. All right, learn about them though, so you know who the owner is. So when they start trying to, they go, these scammers go through crypto rehab, right? They scam a bunch of people. They go in the lurch for like a year and a half, and then they come back, man. And they hope there's new market participants because the market recovered, which there are new market participants that probably had not even heard of Bitcoin. And now here we go. 2.0 coming out in like June. Yeah, right.
Let's do a music-a-thon. You can make a list of best music you can buy for the stream for the next year and we'll help you pay for it. Is Grateful Dead a no-go for now? Boo-hoo if yes. Family was sad for you but so happy to see how happy you are again.
Dude, I don't even know how that works, man. I don't even really know how do you buy the rights to a song, like a good song? Like, hey man, can I buy your song? Yeah, it's gonna be like $5 to be able to play it. Okay, right? Jose says, hi Mitch, Alex Cobb sent me here. XRB Army. Hey Jose, man, thanks for being here, and yeah, I really appreciate Alex Cobb. Check him out if you care at all about XRP's developments that are coming out like almost daily. They're coming out with new partnerships all the time. They have a real good team, and yeah, man, they're saving banks hundreds of millions of dollars per year with the technology that they provide to these banks, the services they provide. So check him out, man. Alex Cobb. We can plug him, dude. No problem. Dude, this is so nuts, dude, isn't it? Like, the fact that we're not banned. I can't believe it. I was dreaming because of the market and the growth, and then I'm dreaming that we're screwed, and now I'm dreaming that we're not screwed. Okay? Where does it end? When do we stop dreaming, dude? Okay, y'all, check him out. Alright, he was all world last night, man. So, right back at him. Alex Cobb, check him out. Sub if you want to know about XRP. All right, he's young buck. He's a good buck. All right. God, man, gangs.
Is that a joint?
Alexa, should I buy Bitcoin?
Sorry, I can't give advice on that topic.
Because Alexia is not a what? Financial advisor. All right, so she can't do it, man. ETN was always incompetent, and then Apple's like, yeah, they're definitely not gonna be able to mine on our phones. That was like that was like the death sentence, the nail in the coffin for Electronium. What? Oh, he's here? Damn, man. Alex, man. Gangs, dude. Is XRP still on track with the level up guy? What do you mean the level up guy? Who is that? No, it's really not that, I don't know. I mean, it broke a support, right? A little buy wall. But it's nothing, man. It's not turning anything. You might just back test upsloping support as resistance. What's going on? Why is it moving like that? So yeah, dude, I mean, nice bounce off 36.871 cents with support looking left. You got it. And that's it, dude. You break this, not good, man. I mean, your next stronger supports are way lower, and that's why, hence the measured move being so large. Because, dude, if you break, that's why it was so easy on the way up. Once you broke critical resistance, you just whoosh, straight up, man. So, hey, dude, Alex, man, and XRP people, you better be praying for Bitcoin performance, man. That's all I can tell you. Bitcoin goes down to 71, 7,200. You could very well see yourself at 34, 35 cents or lower. All right. Claudio, you saw some guy named Mitch Ray top on this live stream today. What are you talking about, dude? Do we have an imposter? Kappa? Thoughts on Pundi, dude? Sahib, I think you know my thoughts. Decentralized sell funds in India, all in. Kappa, not really. Okay. Yeah, I know, Java. Me too. Dude, it's so loud. My bad. Jeez, music's too loud. Dang, man, now it's too quiet. Back to the woes. Level up guy, level up guy. What is that the guy? Is that the guy who's like $2 XRP by 10 seconds or something? Ooh, Raphael S, man. No need to be so sad, dude. Fars, Shamars, yes, or Chars, yes, I am back. Man, we did it, dude. I can't friggin' believe it. No golden cross yet, and stop thinking that a golden cross is so important on XRP when, see, the daily, the descending triangle doesn't even show up, right? It's nothing so far. It's like lower highs. There is a buy wall. You're holding support with distribution. That is real. So the psychology of it is 36.871 cents is, again, the buy wall, and then you made a high of 47.78 or 47.87 cents, and then a lower high of 43 cents, and here you are, 41 cents, right? Lower highs, buy wall. What's up, Mr. Mystery? This shouldn't even show up on the daily. Let me hide this. So it doesn't really look very spectacular to me. Dude, definitely the psychology of descending triangle right here. What's going on? Yes, don't do BitConnect. What's up, Mr. Prick? LMNOP, XRP Connect. Don't say that, man. I can't believe you. Oh, the dude on the 1 minute chart? Yeah, the 1 minute chart Connect. Okay. Here's XRP zoomed out on the daily. Big support, and you had two things was going to happen. You were going to either break the upside or dump, and we broke the upside, so that's awesome. And we're above all three moving averages on the daily, which is amazing too, but you got to have Bitcoin performance. All right, so all right, people ask me about the golden cross. The 20-day moving average bullishly crossed over the 200. That is not a golden cross. The golden cross, when your 50-day, the purple line you can see, bullishly crosses over that red line, which is the 200-day moving average. So that has not occurred yet, and it'll take us a few more days. But again, it's a lagging indicator. The only reason any of this happened is because you had 2 days of green 2 moves up where you shot up like 30% plus in 2 days, and that was it, dude, right? That's why you're starting to cross over bullishly on your moving averages. But it won't matter if you just sell back off to 32 cents. Which you could if you don't hold this. If you don't hold the support, the candle high close on the daily from April 6th, yeah, dude, gonna see 34 cents, 33 cents real fast down here. Okay, there's nothing in between. I think it's just so crazy, man. Like, oh man, look at this channel we've had plotted for like 5 months. Look how we finally got to this area, the breaking point. Bam. It's like you were getting squeezed by horizontal line support and down some resistance. Yeah, right, Albus. I'm sure that'll work, man. Is this the dump before the pump, Black Sheep? Are you sure about that, man? Do I think Stellar is a better long-term bet than XRP? Dude, I really don't even know, like, if by owning XRP... People are telling me it's not. Like, me owning XRP doesn't mean I'm investing in Garlinghouse and his team, right? I'd like to be able to buy into that team and what they're doing. Not so much a utility token, all right? Oh, yeah, Stein. Oh, dude, is that you, Craig Wright? Oh, my God, man. It's me. Thanks for the $2 super chat. All right. Normally, no. But I guess I'm in a good mood. They don't know. Fentanyl. This is the, what is it? Fentanyl coin. Don't do drugs, man. Don't do S coins. Oh, nothing. Like false breakout or something. Right, you didn't even make a higher high. You made a lower high on this pump than your previous high and then have dumped. Okay, so not bullish, not a bullish trend. You couldn't even sustain prices outside of the channel. Maybe if you'd have back tested here and held a support, you didn't, dude. Terrible, just bad. Make sure this is like perfect. Here we go. Very good. So you tell me, man, does this really look bullish to you? Since inception, it's been a dumpster fire. It had one little pump and made a lower high than the previous high. Screw this coin, dude. Screw it. All right? We good? Dude, I don't know. Session top's broken, dude. I don't know. It's stuck on raw bar. I'm just going to delete it because it's just not working anymore. So stupid. And bugged out. Maybe if I refresh the catch data, but then it erases my entire jar. So... No, Chris M, I don't even know, man. I've never looked at anything to the BSV
Glad
pair.
you're back, mister. Was wondering if DA holds up when using lesser charts like S-Coin to S-Coin, for example, IOTA/BSV. Thanks again for being here.
Chris M, thank you for the $5 super chat. I think the more illiquid something is, the less likely it's going to be to respect the TA, okay? Right? When you've got all these S coins that were making moves and they were volatile back in the Great FOMO when there was an $800 billion crypto market cap. Yeah, TA could have been respected a lot more. But when you got like remember we were like at $100 billion market cap, and he had all these S coins that had just kind of like they'd sold off, dumped so hard, and they were just going flat. They weren't even creating patterns for, like, they weren't doing anything. So that means like no one's playing it. Therefore, it's like, how can TA be respected when no one's even making the market for it? It's like doing nothing. So the more liquid something is, most likely the higher the chance it's not going to respect the TA because there's no market making being done. It's just like terrible. Okay. Hope that helps, Chris. We've already looked at Matic. Oh my God. Anyone that says, oh, Matic, man, Matic. We look at Matic and Fentanyl coin. It's dumped 50% of the way. We talked about it could have one more rally, lower high, double top, or slightly higher high. And it's going to show bearish divergence or bearish convergence and then dump again to lower lows. You think, no, the dude was not trolling. He was not trolling, dude. Oh yeah, it's just weird. It's like, really? Is that how it works, man? You don't post Twitter. You don't post on Twitter. I don't get it, man. I mean, like, what did he say was going to happen if it doesn't hit $2? What will he do? I said I'd shave my head if XRP hit $2 when he said it was going to.
Tesla, please. Interested in possibility of short squeeze due to highest level of short interest on Tesla never. Daily oversold. Impossible bullish divergence forming. Not sure what the risk reward to opening is short here after months of SER down.
It's probably not very good, man. And as you know, if you looked at the video I did today, what do you think, man? Like, the banks, institutions, that it's in their best interest to, I mean, you know, if they're posting like that, you know, they know the retail investors are going to see, oh, dude, this bank that's so reputable thinks that it's going to $10 or $36, right? These articles coming out on it, all this FUD, all this stuff. I mean, yeah, like, you're oversold on the daily for the first time. I didn't bring this up. You haven't been this oversold on Tesla since September 6, 2016. So that was right here. So that means, like, we rallied and sold out to lower lows before running again, but the context is different, right? This is before you had a crazy V recovery, then eventually you bottomed out and made a higher. Look, it was like inverse head and shoulder, beautiful. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, slanted neckline. Once you busted it, measure move easy, dude, right? So not the same context of where we are being oversold. So yes, we are oversold, but divergence, I don't see any divergence. All on the daily anyway. It's just bearish convergence. Okay. Thanks, HG. Much love. It's funny, we actually looked at it at the beginning of the stream. What's up, MSR? He says people who request Matic probably bought at the top. Yeah, FOMO will destroy you, but they're not going to be here to listen to that, or they'll be selectively listening to me on my stream. Logan, I'll look it up. I will look into it after stream, man. Do you know, like, what kind of songs are on it, dude? I mean, I'll check it out, of course, right? But, yeah, concerned about any music. Yeah, me too. What's up, Tomazeski? Welcome, dude. Yeah, we'll see Virgus games, man. I mean, daily, sure, we don't really know yet, but it could be shaping into a potential double top. It looks like a potential double top. It's still 76.86 or below 77.60 where we need to be, down $259, right? Down 3.32%. Most of the market's down. I mean, like, Cardano's down 7%, XLM's down 8%, Neo down 6%, Bitcoin Cash down almost 5%. Honestly, everything's down. Do a stop here.
Welcome back, Mitch. Can we take a look at Engine Coin?
Yeah, we can look at Engine Connect, dude. Sure. Thanks for the files, man. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. So look what happened. Scrubtastic. But I think on the daily, we're getting near a PCZ, maybe? It was like inverse head and shoulders, and it was failed. Like, false breakout. It didn't play out, man. It didn't work. It didn't happen. It happens, dude. Welcome to getting in on the right shoulder instead of breakout buying. Yeah. Exactly. So let's try to adjust our channel. Well, that looks pretty good, man. That looks pretty solid. Resistance on the heart line. Resistance on the heart line. Support on the heart line. Not bad, man. Not bad of a channel. Okay. Was the daily, though, different? Do we have it? Oh, yeah. This is the one where we thought maybe 1618. Well, it did bounce, but only made a lower high. Let's see where we are. We're at 786 retrace is right here, so it fell below it, but not far below it. And it's not really doing anything. It's like bouncing off the 200-day moving average, and from that, rejecting the 20-day moving average. Very bad, man. Very weak. You were showing some extreme amounts of bullish divergence. Yeah, man. Only on the MACD, not the RSI. It was bearish convergence on the RSI. But, like, you had it. But that's it, man? That's all you got? It's not manifesting into anything. You're not even testing the top trend line of the downsloping channel. You're not doing that, man. You're not even testing the 50-day moving average. You're just rejecting the 20. So yeah, it may not be over or anything, and maybe on a shorter time scale, inverse head and shoulder stuff, but look, you're rejecting higher prices. So yeah, man, if you fall below wherever the heck we just bounced, which it seems like there was some support here, if you fall below that, your next target's going to be pretty much at 11.29. You ready for that? That's a huge dump, man. That's a huge sell if we break 17.15. All right. There's your engine, dude. Mr. Shapper, man. Engine connects. Lost your gun, run up, you know, here running up to 88 again means lower high than previous highs before it, remember? Bitcoin going down, starting to bearishly engulf on the 60-minute. Let's go back to it. Alright, as you can see, broke the upswing channel, back tested as resistance, sold off, broke below 77.60, and beginning to bearishly engulf with 13 minutes left on your daily 4-hour and 60-minute candle. Sure they missed Shabman. Thanks again for the 5s. Morpheus coin in the jar. All right. Superior chains, man. Oh my god, dude. Fibs are CME gaps. Crypto gains, remember, 71.90. 71.90, something like that, down here. Well, that's like in the middle of nowhere, right? Let me look real quick, okay? Crazy though, I mean, like, what is that? Leg left. After that's gonna be here. That makes sense. Okay, so kind of the same. CME futures holding, you know, right here at like 70. What is it? 7,700. You know, there's like a couple wicks, right? Candle close, I mean, it's not as clear. We already broke 77.82, which is kind of like on the main Bitcoin chart, 77.60. Man, it's crazy you're holding above this for now. Nice rejection, but yeah, man. Against what is the gap, man? Look at this. This one, I mean, you consider that filled. A lot of times people say it's not, that a wick does not fill a gap. It must be candles. So a gap fill is like 71.78 right there. That's it. Going down to that area, which would be fine because that would put us at upsloping support. Remember, of the potential ascending triangle that we're trying to develop, the huge one. Remember what I'm talking about? Right, 71.70, and then we go here, 71.70 area. All right, besides the crazy wick, for the 2 upsloping wicks could yield you a huge ascending triangle. Something to think about at least. Yeah, there's a gap at like 6,400. It wicked down, but doesn't mean it necessarily closed because candle closes are important. Do I think we'll get to Bitcoin 100,000 by the end of the year? Probably not, Jose. Probably not. Okay. Thanks for the welcome. The welcome back, man. And I know we had issues in the past, but I do apologize about what I said in the past to you. About you too, Matt. Alright. Sorry, dude. Please get back to AK Networm. Okay, I mean, we got 9 minutes till your daily and 4-hour close. Is not good when you break below critical support because there's nothing else really majorly until 7,400. Okay. It can be. Lost your gun, but a lot of times they're the same thing. And the Bitcoin pairs, I mean, in the past, they've formed patterns and they've they played off really well, but dude, the market's so bearish on the BTC pairs. Like any kind of bullish pattern, I think it's going to be a lot less reliable in this kind of trend you're in. Again, those are the BTC pairs. Oh yeah, divergence, man. I mean, you know, I think someone was saying like, hey, was this divergence? Like, yeah, I mean, you had it here and it played out, but I mean, again, you rallied to slightly lower highs on candle high closes than before, and you have lower levels of positive minutes. So it's more like a relative strength bearish convergence kind of on the RSI. Yeah, Eagles, as long as you make a higher low than 3150, yeah, you're fine, I guess, right? Thanks, Jose, man. Seriously. Holy crap. Give me a sec. Excuse me. Jesus. Jump incoming? Well, it's already kind of begun. Love me some Captain Z. You're going to get a confirmation close below 7760. Last time we got a candle close confirmation below 7760, we ran all the way down to a low of 6612 on this chart. So you tell me, man, not good. You're getting a candle close confirmation below critical support. Just saying. What the heck, man? Biometric should work. All right, getting back to the rain, man. Dude, the vibe of the colors. So you're getting confirmation close below 7760, and on the 60 minute, you're beginning to bearishly engulf. Not really good. 7 minutes left. And thanks for everyone watching. If you're enjoying the live stream, leave that like button, that bell, that sub. We are on a crusade, a holy war to 10,000 subs. We're at 9763. Let's get a sub spike if we can, man. Let's do this thing. Huge party. 10K subs. All right. Vegas meetup, but we'll be doing some special on stream too, I guess, right? Dude, I don't know, man. Falling below 44 is very bad, James. Very bad. I don't think it's valid anymore. Falling to like the 42s. I know ATVI did that. 4 hour, I don't think we're very weak on the, we're 43. We're crossing into bearish territory on the RSI. So there's plenty of room to run to the downside if we truly wanted to, man. Really. There's so much fuel. If we wanted to keep building, look, negative momentum is building. It's at its highest level. This negative momentum could keep building. So that means we could keep seeing lower prices and we could keep selling off. Remember, if you're at 42, 43, that means we go all the way down to 30. There's so much room to run. What's up, Anto? Thanks, man, for the sub, dude. Really appreciate that. Does this make sense, man? And yeah, dude. Don't go to digital PC store unless you want to get wrecked, okay? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Am I supposed to say that? Yeah. Oh, I'm an influencer, and if someone's spamming my chat with their product without my consent, we're going to say, don't go there. Don't go to digital PC store. Don't do it, dude. All right? Thanks. Out of spite. Dude. Man, this change up right here where we got unstriked. Come on, dude. We can... I don't know if Bitcoin's going to beat me on 10K, but we can do it, man. Cheers, James. Bullish engulfing on the 4 hour sub chart. Maybe, dude. Maybe. Spam it, dude. Spam it. Sure thing, Eric, man. Good morning, Caviar DJs. Dude, Caviar DJs, you were the one that was telling me stuff about the music copyright stuff. So I appreciate that. I remember when I got struck. You did it. I'm going to change that. Don't you dare go to digital PC store. It's terrible. God. Might be the beginning of a cross on the daily MACD. Oh, I don't use the the EMAs, the EMA lines for the. I just use the histogram, man. Calvin, all right, we'll put you to the test, man. Calvin's saying he wants to see wave 4 of Elliott wave correct pullback that holds over support at 53.30 and rally over 10K. Yeah, we might be screwed after 53.30, but I think we're screwed if we break 7,400. If we break 7,400, I think we're going down to 6,800 fast.
I think I'm banned from talking or super chatting and I don't know why. There's no way for me to even ask why. Kinda ridiculous if you ask me. Can I be unbanned? Wasn't even given a reason.
Tyler, thanks for the $3.33. Well, you know, I mean, sometimes that happens, but
Is that a joint?
it's not too ridiculous, man. Like, there's
Can you do an educational video on indicators? RSI, extension.
Kevin, I actually have a clip of, you know, like that stuff in my Patreon. And actually, it's not like I create the videos specifically for patrons. I do it live. I do education live, and then we clip those educational segments, and then we hand deliver them to patrons. So if you want to support this stream, if it's really that important to you, you can support the stream and get all that kind of stuff in the Patreon, right? So thank you for the 420. Is that a joint? And then Tyler, there might have been a reason why. You might have said something, but you may have not said something, and it can't be that ridiculous. If you're in the Discord, you can inquire about, hey man, I was banned, I'm on Discord, I'm in general chat. And remember, it's not me. This community is not just me, dude. Though the name is Mitch Ray, it doesn't mean that, like, I'm the only one running the show. I delegate a lot of moderation to valued members of this community. So just remember, if you're thinking about saying something ridiculous or outlandish, you're not just going to have to go through, you're not going to be going through me. You'll be going through, like, a council or committee or whatever of this community, all right, that represents the whole community. So I'm just saying, man. Make sure this is good. It should be. It's the same friggin' thing. Yeah, it's exactly the same thing. Okay. Perfect. Well, should I inverse chart again? Sure, man. Oops. Inverse, double bottom. Beautiful double bottom, potentially. And you're beginning to run to the upside. And so you should probably, you could test 7,081, right? I mean, like, if you're potential trade setup, right? Like for a double bottom, like huge selling, but then you're confirming to the market, like I said before, confirmation on this run that this is the top for now. And look, we're doing breaking critical resistance, and we're running, man. And again, next resistance will be 7,400, and after that, I think you'd be running up to 7,093 or 7,100. Then you got the upsloping potential, support resistance, whatever. Descending triangle, man. Okay, take profit at the top of the descending triangle on the potential double bottom. Oh yeah, Big Connect 2.0 is a huge scam. Don't touch it. If you do, I'm disappointed in you. All right. There was, perception, right? Alfonso, thank you, man. Appreciate that, dude. James, that was for you, man, and others. He doesn't have to start a new account if he really wants to talk. He can just inquire via TTS or in the Discord. So it's a good man. Dude, you need to be part of our community if you're not, our Discord community. So it's like, if you want to be a part of a community with like-minded individuals that care about technical analysis, charting, crypto, all of it combined, investing in yourself, positivity, community that's like a bunch of adults, not children. That's why you join the Discord. And so if you get banned or something, who cares? Because the live chat's not even the heart or soul of the community. The heart and soul of the community is on Discord, for the most part, right? So join us, man. The link is in the description below, but we also post it all the time in chat. If someone wants to post it, okay? So anyway, 7, here we go. Daily is closing right now. You're local on the 8s, man. Oh my God, we did it. Kings. There it is. Daily close. 4-hour close, 60-minute close, all close. Will we get any kind of action? Will we see 7,400? Probably. Probably, man. You break 7760 is a big deal, dude. You come and back test it, sure. 7750, 7760, but if you back test it, you better break above it. But if not, 7,400, dude. Someone talk about being naked. There's Tyler. What's up, Tyler, man? Welcome to the community, dude. Thank you all for joining the Discord right now, alright? Sam and Ash, thank you for the welcome. Welcome back. So would have played Welcome Back, Mr. Cartier, but you know how that goes, man. Copyright everywhere. I get it, man. I understand. What's up, AA reviews? Why are you not AAA reviews? Isn't AAA better than AA? Chat? Let me know what you think. Is AA reviews or AAA reviews better, man? Think AAA. What is this? A Mitch calendar? Oh god, different poses of me. Wow, that'd be weird, dude. Yeah, discord.com kanks. You were looking at Bitcoin, TA, and you were coming with 6,400. Are you way off? Not sure what you're missing. Well, I mean, you know, dude, you just gotta keep in consideration we had old overhead resistance that would then in turn be used as support. And we just broke one that wasn't very big, but it's been respected and regarded as one. And we had it plotted, okay, for a while, the whole time. And so we know what happens when you break this with confirmation. You should run down to 7,400. Whether you backtest this area as resistance or you run straight down to it is unknown. But we know breaking this, you're now in no man's land, kind of. And any kind of stronger support would be at 7,400. If you break 7,400, you're looking at 71, 7,200. And 7,000, but the upsloping support, you'd pray that would hold, and then we could get some sort of crazy looking ascending triangle. But if you don't hold that, then you're going to 6,800, and then after that, man, if I plot all the lines, people complain, there's too many lines, man, screw this guy. It's like, well, I can't do it. I can't. You see what I'm saying, man? Like, it's like danged if you do, danged if you don't if you're streaming this, because like I try to keep the scaling large for people on mobile so people can see the prices, but if I plot too many horizontal line supports below you, they all just get cluttered up. You can't even see what's going on, right? So Alistair, AAA in baseball is better, Emma Kraken, but I think we're talking about reviews, right? So what kind of review is better, man? What's up, Sci-Flyer? Hey, Sci-Flyer, you should meet Science Girl. Y'all should go on a friend date. Okay. What's up, Drew B? Glad you made it, man. And thanks for the 902 people tuned in on YouTube. Oh my God, we're back, man. If you're enjoying the live stream, if you're enjoying the homecoming, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. 10,000 subs is in reach. It's in grasp, man. We can taste and smell 10K sub spike every day until 10K, man. All right. Too many lines, dog. True that. There's Science Girl. She says something in general. Dude, Psy person. What was it? Psy guy? Dude, Psy Girl needs a Psy guy. Someone please spoof a name and let that be their name on here. Psy guy. Oh yeah, the Mitch calendar with different shots of my various styles of hats from wizard to spaceman. That'd be lit, man. All right. Matthew Adams, we got Tua and we got Tagovailoa. It's unreal. But I don't know, man. Jalen's who saved us last year. And so, look what happened. He's gone to Oklahoma. So we'll probably be seeing him in the playoffs, maybe. What's up, Statser? Thanks for the sub, man. Thank you all for the overwhelming support. We're going to get 10K, and it's going to be soon, man. And you know it's going to happen. Sci-Flyer, yeah. Sci-Flyer, you should be Sci Guy, dude. All right. Elemental Piece has been a member of communities, including paid groups, but nothing like the Kangs. Yeah, dude, of course, man. Dude, screw, like... I don't know, man. Like, yeah, there are going to be amenities like in Patreon that are really good, but the whole point of joining Patreon is not for those amenities. It's to support me because you watch me and you enjoy what I produce and you want me to keep coming back, right? That's Patreon. But I mean, dude, educate and do all that stuff live.
Can you look at
for free?
1/BTC really quick showing bullish divergence? Target 1,637, target 2,737.
Dude, thanks for the $5 super chat, dude. The Ethereum Classic and the Jur. Oh my god, man. What time scale are you talking about? Are you talking about the daily? I'm confused, man. It's bouncing on the heart line. This crazy, crazy downtrend. Jeez, so bad, man. One chain connect. Oh, excuse me. Oh, God. What fib extension are we at, man? Oh, we were showing bullish divergence, then we like disregarded it. God, what a joke.
Calling it.
All right, Drew C. Thanks for $3.33. Nice debating. Nice attempted debating, man. All right. He says the pump is coming. That might be more testament to your name, dude. All right. Thank you, bro. But the 3 is the Tron connects in the jar. So getting back to something not pumping. What's that fib extension? Previous low to high. Are we beyond the 161 or are we at it? Oh my god, we're right at it, man. Jeez. We didn't touch it though. We hit the heart line though, the channel. Look, resistance, support. This is not valid, and I do not see any divergence. Sorry, man. From this low to this low, it's like, actually, okay, there was a little bit, but this happened, right? It played out. To the extent of how it played out was just testing the 20-day moving average's resistance. And now you're making a slightly higher low, which is, yeah, good, man. That's fine, making a higher low. But dude, we've seen higher lows before, haven't we? If there's no buying pressure, no demand, and you just keep using this 20 moving average as a resistance, dude, like, I don't know what to tell you, dude. It's one, man. One chain connect. I don't see any kind of formal structure of a pattern. So there's no patterns. You haven't really touched the 1618 yet. You're not really showing major divergence. Where is it on the RSI? Because you're not showing on the RSI at all. You're usually like low on price, higher low on price, higher low is relative strength. So it's like a little convergence. But maybe we could sell off one more time, hit the 1618, make a slightly, ever so slight lower low than your previous low, and then we could get some oversold bullish divergence. You might have a better opportunity on a slightly lower low. But again, you break 1618, I don't even know what to tell you, dude. It's like, see you down at minus 131 sats kappa, but you get it, man. There is no outer fib extension. It's here's 0 sats, man. All right, this is 0. That's not gonna let me do it. There's your 0. Okay, you're getting closer and closer to 0. When it all started, oh yeah, dude, yeah. Let me guess. One chain was created so they could, you know, since they had a working product. What a joke. They had a working product. They were already making sales. People were already buying their products. So they just needed more capital from investors to expand their infrastructure so they could sell more products and keep growing revenue and grow as a company. Oh, wait, just kidding. It's not the stock market. This is the la-di-da, Rudy Poo market. Everything's a scam.
Getting hot in here. Pump is frying up. Feeling crispy.
Crispy bacon. Thanks, Crispy Bacon, for the Tron connects in the jar, dude. Much love. Very cool. Thank you, dude. Yep, holding 76.46. No volatility really on the close or anything, but you did on the 60-minute bearish single. That is very real. All right. So going back to the rant, it's a good rant. It's a healthy rant. It needs to be talked about. Okay, it's like there's only 2 reasons why you IPO or ICO. ICO. I guess there's mainly only one reason to ICO, and that's to scam people. So the insiders can pump the price up, and then they can sell off. Okay, when they had really, they got in very early, so they got in a really low price, lower than inception price, like way down here, and so it runs up, and then look with this, and then they say, okay, screw it, let's dump on everyone's head, and then this is what happens. Okay, just bearish. You ever break the downswing resistance? Okay, we might be good, man. Matic is being manipulated. Any opinion on it? Sure, it's being manipulated. Illiquid S coin that's very new with very little data, and it ran up. It went crazy high, and then the rug got pulled and it's dumped 50% of its value from the low to high. And it might pivot and rally to make a lower high, a double top, or a slightly higher high. But either way, man, after that second rally, we mostly always get those attempted rallies after the big pumps, right? So it'll probably be a lower high. We'll get some bearish convergence, and then we'll sell off again. So that's Matic. Who cares, dude? ICO Connect. All right, man. So yeah, you could say it's improper consolidation all you want, but dude, the trend was never bullish ever. Okay, it's only been bearish, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Ever since. If you break this, man, we'll talk, dude. Set up an alert at 900 sats, because if you ever break it, man, then you might have a really nice ride up to freaking 4100 sats, but don't count on it for now. All right, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Terrible. There was divergence, and it played out, but you're bearish, right? So this is to the extent of how high it went. It tested the 200-day moving average and then dumped after. So, wow, dude. Who cares? All right. Any thoughts on Tesla? Joe, did you not see my static video? I did an extreme static video on Tesla, only on Tesla today, right? Check it out if you haven't. What's up, Mark Smith, man? Thanks for the sub, dude. 9776, super patriotic, kind of. It's like the, you know, think about in the year 9776, we'll be celebrating America's independence, right? For a very, very long time. Wow, like 8,000 years or something, right? Okay, yeah, well, every financial market is manipulated, but we're talking about Matic, and we're just talking about it be like having like very little data and running up really high, and then it's dumped 50%, right? Everything's being manipulated. Can you talk about it? Talk about anything, dude. Talk about anything. Dude, I don't know, Villa, man. Dude, someone posted a video about all that stuff going on with him, and it's kind of weird. Kind of sketched me out hardcore. Okay. No 10K. Oh, yeah. Didn't he get punched in the face or something, Terry? Someone's getting punched in the face because it didn't hit 10K by the weekend because someone had an insider friend. That shows you how, hey, I got an insider, man, and I'm going to tell you publicly what's going to happen. All right. Like, okay, dude. Sure. What's up, Fred@39? Matic legs. Sure, dude. Don't jinx our freedom, dude. All right, I won't jinx it, man. We're at now 9,777 subs, so we don't have to worry about the, you know, America's Independence Day again. All right, the 8,000 year anniversary or something. All right. I don't know. It's tough, man. Tough with no music. Really tough, dude. I'm just so scared, man. Right? Really, really scared. Let me see here. Let me see if there's anything. If there's any copyright at all on this. There is. I don't want to play it, man. I'm not going to play it, dude. We'll just sit here with no music, okay? I don't care. What happened? I don't know. The only thing I know is about stuff y'all post about him in my chat, my live chat all the time, okay? And what was posted, I actually just looked at it and I'm like, good God, dude, that's real bad. Someone like made a video about him and his service or whatever. It's very illuminating and doesn't make me really, you know, I've got no problem with people like creating content as long as they're not scamming or hurting people or misinforming or misguiding people. But when there's illumination of that, when there's evidence that emerges of them doing that, then I'm not cool with them. I don't like them anymore. And, you know, that's bad, man. I would never like be neutral on someone doing that. So I don't like that person anymore. Okay. I don't want to say their name. So. Opinion on XRP when all these banks start using it? Aren't a lot of banks already using it and they're saving hundreds of millions a year? Okay. X Live or whatever. Tell me we're going to bounce off 7,500, please, Manimal. I mean, do you really want to tell you that? We probably won't for long, but we have so far. So I could tell you we have bounced off 7,500, but we have broken 7,600, a much more critical support. So we're just lulling now and eventually could see 7,400. Okay. Fredo coming over from Amsterdam. Thanks, man, for being here. Across the pond. Yeah, but you do that. Non-copyright music, right? Non-copyright music, and then it's trash, and I'm playing like just guessing.
Tight charts pump hard. No one knows what's coming. Pumper incoming.
Yeah, dude, totally, man. Totally, dude. Thanks for the pumps, dude. The threes, dude. Whew. What's up, MD? Thanks for the $1 super chat, man. Thanks. Yeah, dude, it's Craig Wright. He's dumping the market. Yep. I mean, you know, we know that's probably not true, right? See, dude, I don't want to click these because then I'm going to be like going through all. See, this is why I have to do it like after, right? I have to do this after the stream. Coffee for crypto. What happened? Yeah, dude, there we go. Pump incoming. Pump in moon. Dump incoming. Dumping core of Earth. Going to zero. There you get it. Are we going to go down more? Yeah, probably. Probably going to 7,400. Last time we confirmed a candle close break below 77.63, it yielded us a price of 6,600 and 6,200 on BitMEX and other exchanges. All right, so I mean, I've been talking about 77.60 for like 2 weeks or a week and a half or something, and it's just, it has played a role as support and now it's broken. So it's not that crazy now. Inverse head and shoulders. Dude, normally you're looking in inverse head and shoulders. I don't think I've ever read about an inverse head and shoulder acting as a bullish continuation pattern. I've always seen it act as a bullish reversal pattern, right? So it's like you get a big move up and then you sell off, and it's like a pretty decent sell off, and then you form that left shoulder, you run up, make a lower high than the much previous higher high, and then you form that collar, and then you sell off again to a lower low, you run up, right? So it's like after a big move down, this normally doesn't start right here. That's weird, dude. You normally need to, oh my god, hold on, where's my tool? So it's like big run up, and then you sell off tremendously, like 50% of the way or something like that, and you run up, create the first part of the collar, and then you sell off again to make a lower low than your previous low, and then you run up, you create that second part of the collar to create the neckline, and you sell off, right? Then you're right here, and then you go. See, you didn't get any of this. You just, the way that's good, right? I mean, when you do that. But what we did kind of recently was like a big move up. It was like this. See, I don't really know if that signifies it as valid or not. I don't ever really see inverse head and shoulders used as bullish continuations. But hey, man, whatever, man. If you think so, sure. But the question is, do other people around the world think so? I don't know, man, if they're going to interpret it that way. All right. At all. Either way, man, guess what? Your neckline's at 83.35. We know what happens if you break 83.35, so does it even matter? Does it really even matter? We know where we're going if we break this area, right? What's up, Eric Hale? The problem is when it starts to dump, it moves so fast. Yes, it does. It truly does. All right, that's your call, 6,800, Eric Hale. Put it to the test, man. Put it to the test. So, okay, good luck to you, man. All right, shorting in a bullish trend, and though we sell off, you might be just trying to look for better long positions. But again, dude, we're just looking at each support, right? 7,400. Then you got upslipping support potentially at 7,100. You got the CME gap fill around 7,100, 7,190, 7,170, something like that. And then after that, you got 6,800. But also you have 7,000, man. So we are in no man's land, kind of just holding a wick from May 13th. Really not that strong. Sure thing, cover crypto. It sure is, man. Well, people being it and spreading it really is bad. Okay. Hold on. Screw peer pressure, man. Better to have no dude. It sucks, man. I'm about to get like headphones and put on my own music so I don't like. It's just weird. Think about it. If you've streamed 800 live streams total in your tenure as a content creator, and you've always had music on, when you don't have music, it's really weird, dude. So I'm just gonna have to get headphones or something. 79 or 75.93 right now, down $32 on the day, the new day that it just opened 20 minutes ago. See me gaps fill just a coincidence? Not really. I wouldn't say it's coincidence. I would say that it's just a phenomenon where the market hates gaps, right? And it fills. It's just it's like the Gartley theory. And so not all of them fill, but on the CME chart, historically, almost all the gaps have filled. There have been a few that have not filled, but if you take probably 97% of the gaps on the CME futures chart, they have all filled. And then 3% have not filled. So what are the odds, man? But the question is also, it's not about if it fills. Let's just say there's a 100% chance it would fill. The question is, when would it fill? Would it be after we hit 10K, 9,000, or is it going to happen very soon? Okay. What is that, Fredo? Ethereum is popping. Vincent turn went to 19%. What are you talking about, dude? Because that's not happening on any exchange I see with Ethereum. But I don't even know what you said, really. So, can you sponsor the channel with organic music you own? Let you know if the music's not bad. Sure. And I'm pretty picky on music. So, like, if I don't like your music, you can't, like, hate me because I'm picky on what I play to the audience. So, just saying, man. Okay, Andy, man. Sure did. No music is the best wonderful breaks. Well, the thing is like, if there's no music, you can just open another tab up and play your own music. I don't understand what's wrong with that, right? But I get it, man, because that's what I'm going to do if I don't play music. Yeah, buy scammy S coins now, flex with Lambo later. Oh, wait. Don't FOMO, though, because if you FOMO, like Matic, any FOMO on Matic is your gains have been wiped out, right? Any FOMO. Like, if you lost 50% of your gains, like, very high chance when you FOMO'd, you lost it all so far. So that's why, FOMOing so stupid, because it's like, oh my God, we're having a nice run up. You don't even know when to sell, man. You don't even have a trading plan when you FOMO, right? That's what most FOMOers do. They don't have a trading plan, so they don't even know when to take profit or to exit their position. They're just like, oh, screw it, man. We're just gonna take profit. I don't know, man. It's just gonna keep going. I don't know, right? You know, stop loss, trading plan, nothing, dude. You're just buying in on the hype and the run up because you're fearing you're gonna miss out on the gains. But it's real fun looking for potential setups before the gains happen. You're like Matthew McConaughey trader. Hey man, we bought into this before. It was cool, man. But it was cool to us because we saw all these coinciding variables on it, right? What's up, Tyler Tucker? What about a drop to the 50-day moving average? Very likely. Possibility. Do we fall below the 20? No, dude, what about the 20-day moving average? How about 7,079? That's possible. 50 moving average is 59.68. What you talking about? Daily 50-day moving average is at, again, like 6,000, not like 20-day. And I'm talking about simple moving averages, not exponential. So 7,050. Okay. And guess what? That area is near the 23% retrace from your December 15th, 2018 low to high, right? We're saying this is the high, the anchor point, and again, 23% is 71.32. The 38% retrace is 63.63, and then the 50% retrace is 57.41. We know if this was the top, and we're double topping now, if it was, and we were going to sell off common retrace levels between 51.20 and 63.63. That's it, man. All right. I know there's a lot of lines here, but again, dude, I try to keep this stuff, not visible on other time scales so it doesn't get too crazy. But just know there was like, you made a high, you sold off, you rallied, you were stopped in your tracks at critical overhead resistance, too big of a sell wall, and you're showing lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength on that second peak on the daily. So not really good, man. All right. Oh yeah. Makes sense, dude? Okay. Go back 4 hour. Would love us to not break below 7,100. Okay. There isn't a gap to 3,500. 7,190, yeah, it's like 7,180 or whatever. 7,170, right in that zone. It's like, what is it technically? It is. I have to look at this in the 4 hour. Yeah, the gap is at 7,170. All right. Okay, yep, FOMO and rhyming FOMO things, okay. Yes. What's up, Classified? We made it back, dude. Yeah, we made it freaking back. Thank you all for the homecoming stream. This is the homecoming stream. Yeah, I was striked on YouTube if you didn't know. And now I'm back, man. 2.5 days later, and it feels really freaking good, man. So, very grateful for all of you. Okay. Dude, Statser, thanks for the Twitch Prime sub. I didn't see that. Even though I'm sorry, man. I'm staying on YouTube unless I get striked again, okay? That's just how it is. Thanks for the 866 people here. The 519 likes. Oh my god, man. Like spikes. Sub spikes. Everything spikes. Selling off. 7582. Below 7600. So, okay, man. We'll see at 7400 probably, right? I've been live now, hour 42 minutes. But before that, I was live for like 30 minutes. So I've been live for like, technically, I don't know what, 2 hours and 30 minutes or something like that. We've been going, man. We've been going, and the emotions are sky high. All right. DCA, you're talking about maybe just taking my live stream down and not letting it be static or something? Because if I did that, I'd never get copyright striked. I could play any music I wanted, but you'd not be able to replay the stream. And I know that's crazy. People would like be outraged by that. All right. Guess who's back again? Dude, am I slim rated? Nuh-uh, dude. Shorting the likes. Longest live stream ever with no music, pretty much. That's very true, man. Bullishly engulfing the likes. Let's do it, man. It's tanking, man. Is it really tanking, or are you looking at the 1 second chart, dude? Probably it's tanking on the 1 second chart, yes. You dig that there's no music? It's killing me over here, dude. I'm dying with no music. Okay. That's like streaming your entire career with music and then not randomly on an improv stream. Okay. How long is dumping little by little? It's just selling off little by little. Dumping is like, let's say, if we consider a 4-hour stream a marathon stream, let's consider what actually dumping is. I think you should say in crypto, we're dumping if we drop below 5 to 6%. You could consider it a dump. But the fact is, we're only down $56 right now on the day. So, right, so maybe the candle right here was a dump. But then again, maybe crypto should be like a 10% sell-off. Should be an actual, considered a dump, right? Because people just using that word dump erroneously, and it, you know, creates panic and all that. 75.57, lowest low of the 4-hour candle that we've seen. All right. So breaking 77.60, probably going to see 7,400 very soon. There is music that, yes, you can use it. I have a subscription for a year, probably like 5-6 more months of Epidemic music. I can use that. The music is in our hearts, Jack Brown. That's right, dude. And we all have good hearts because we're a good team of ICOs or something. Can't remember how it works anymore. Yes, I got your message, Z-Dubs. Trying to, you know, I'll figure it out, man. I don't know if I want to do that quite yet. I understand what you're saying. It's all good. It makes sense. I'm also trying to sell my house too, so time is more limited than normal. And then with the influx of people and joining the community, it's made it even crazier. So we have fireworks. Yeah, dude. Why not? We didn't even know how to do fireworks last night because we didn't have likes. So there you go. There are your fireworks, man. Thanks, chat, for all the friggin' likes, love, support. 97, 79 subs, dude. We're inching closer and closer to 10,000 subs, man. When will we do it? When will we get 10,000 subs?
This is just to help break the silence. LOL.
Eric Hale, man, thanks for the $20 contribution, man. Not even super chat. Thank you, dude. That did break the silence, didn't it? Awkward. That's weird. That's weird. That's kind of weirding me out. Bitcoin 75.52, lowest low of the day. Just a second ago. Just hire a live band. Yeah, that's what we should probably do, man. Okay. Predictions? Well, the next prediction is 7,400. Okay, we don't do like, oh, we're going to 1K, man. We're going to 3,000 right now. Or next move. We're just trying to look for like the next move where we could bounce, where we could see some support. I mean, you're clearly holding like 75.41 right now, right? That's where we held, but you break that, man. Again, it's like not very strong support. You could see 74. What's up, Frankie Needles? It's a weird last name, dude. Okay. Wait on it. Concentrate, man. Yeah, 7,200 or 7,000 really. And then, yeah, we know 7170 is the CME's CME future gap. All right, they could fill, that probably will fill, but we just don't know exactly when. Was I satisfied with the Game of Thrones finale? Not really, dude. For someone who's read the books, nah. Nah, dude, not at all. And that's what I'm hoping, that the books are going to be better, but I don't even know if I want to read them anymore. God. They really screwed me up, man. Did you enjoy it? Were you satisfied with the Game of Thrones finale, Night King? I know you weren't, but... Tell us the future, Rigby. You tell me the future, man. All right? Thanks for all those new members on Discord. Y'all are amazing. Best freaking community. What are we up to now? How many members? Dude, we're at 2,200 Discord members now. Growing every day. Look at that pullback. Holding that support for now. Right, holding that May 12th candle high close. Unreal. Okay, yes, sure. Thanks for the 2. Super chat. Hot connect, but remember it's like, I don't even know how I'm going to do it, man. I'm going to have to like make it like where it doesn't even show up. Unless it's 3.
Is that a join?
How about a little Elon action to celebrate the return?
Thanks, Satchery, for the 420. Really appreciate that. Thanks for the welcome wagon, man, with the Elon smoking marijuana, dude. Thank you, dude. Looks like it bit him in the butt, didn't it? Not immediately, but now it has. It truly, truly has, man. Impressive buyback. I mean, dude, give it time. There's like 4 hours left on this candle. So, yeah, I can do anything at once. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Book's always better. Well, for Game of Thrones, yeah, it surely was. Short's getting wrecked now. My, you don't FOMO into a... Remember the trend's bullish? It's like shorting on a breakout. You can get wrecked. Crypto Cody, you missing out on what, dude? Anyway, hot, man. Hit the PCZ of the bat and rode to the upside. Hit like its first target, I think, but never hit this. It hit a 382 perfectly, a little bit above it, and that was it. You've pulled back, so it's not over at all. Oh my god, low liquidity S coin, right? So if it does rally and hey, maybe it makes a double bottom, nothing wrong there. As long as you stay above 15 sats, you can double bottom, or you can make a higher low and run again your second target for just a bat. You could say, if you're scared and conservative, 31. If you're not, if you just want to go regular, you get 34 sats. Third target would be like 43 sats. Okay, so pretty beautiful pattern though. I mean, you gotta love it. Hit that 886 like almost exactly on the dot. That's unreal, dude. Let's look here, man. Jeez, dude. Look at this, dude. All right? Litecoin. That's a pretty pattern, isn't it? But something to be said is you've like got potential coupled handle and you're in an extremely bullish trend that you've been in since late December when you made that higher low. All right, the inverse head and shoulders, Kangs, $22 to what? $100. And you ran back up and you actually hit 106.89 before selling off. And our rally after the huge run was bad, right? It was lower highs than previous highs. Now you're selling off, and here's your neckline. So if Bitcoin wants to keep selling off, you break this neckline, man, not gonna have a good time. We'll see you down at 77 bucks, $10 move or more if you're not lucky. Okay, big pattern, tall pattern, very tall pattern. Here's your Litecoin, dude. I don't know, dude. That's kind of like monkey S. You're getting closer and closer to, you know, a breakout, making this pattern, this potential become real. And there's definitely room to run to the downside on the 4-hour. We're at 39, man. We're in bearish territory on the RSI, so be careful. What does no more strike mean, Jeff? It means I can stream again on YouTube. That's it. That was what it was preventing me from streaming on YouTube for 90 days, but then nugs.net was really cool, and this community is amazing.
Bullish cipher on ADA/USDT daily chart.
Aw, thanks, Rick Schmitz, man. Thank you, dude. Bullish cipher, you say? Give me a sec. I've got to, I mean, it's like almost a double top, man. Like, dude, that's like, I don't know, man. Same with Bitcoin. They're like so close to like double tops that it's hard to say. Right? You'd be like X, A, B, C, but look at that. They're like almost identical touch points. One's slightly higher. I mean, like barely. And you know, use candle closes. It's just barely higher. I mean, we can look at the book, man. 113%. Let's beautiful trade setup. Remember the symmetrical triangle on the breakout? All right, cleaning up. So look at the golden zone. We hit it. Look, we've like double topped at the golden zone. Nice. That's what you're supposed to do. Exactly what you're supposed to do. High to low. There you go. All right. But really, I mean, where is the real low? I mean, the real major low on the daily, is it here? It's really like here, isn't it? It seems like it. And where have we retraced? Retraced and bounced off right around that 50% retrace. So how is it... Dude, I really don't think this is a valid swing low for the pattern. Okay, I think you might want to go back here. See, that's the problem, dude. This isn't a discernible swing low on the daily. You know it's not. You know it's not. And I think the wicket, look, dude, they're like identical. Like, you just, no way, man. Like, very, like, what are we going to use the wicks? So 55% retrace, and then you go up here, the wick again. See, it's not much. You have to have 113% retrace, right? 113. So that means that it had to be higher. It was like 102, 105, whatever that was, 108. It wasn't high enough. So no, I don't think so. I think it's more so double top, okay, with your neckline or whatever at like 5.9 cents. You break that, you're so screwed, okay? So nah, man. Not, I don't think so. But, like, who cares? Like, yeah, if you sell off and you break this 6 cent area, you could run down and we could look for fibs. We can look for a 786, 886 retrace before we break this side. Maybe we could form a pattern on the way down. Maybe we could have bullish divergence on the way down, add these fib nodes. So maybe, but I don't think so, dude. I don't think it's valid. Sorry. Oh, yeah. That's it. Everything's tanking. Remember, we talk about tanking and dumping. Those words. Be careful with them. Triple bottom on a lower time frame? Well, it might not be that valid then, right? No, I don't think so, dude. I mean, dude, if you're talking about low, like, I do not go really below 60 minute, and it's not a triple bottom on the 60 minute, so not, dude. It looks like dude, even on the 60 minute, the negative momentum is just picking up, all right? So you're holding on, just like Bitcoin's kind of holding on, but it's not very strong support where you are. You probably will see 230. If Bitcoin wants to sell off and run to 7,400, then Ethereum might see 230 or 235 or something like that. So, okay, starting to get hungry as F right now. Been live, 2 hours and 40 minutes or something like that now. Double top rainbows. I had a double rainbow I posted in Discord the other day. It was awesome. It was like the coolest rainbow. It was like almost a full perfect rainbow, man. All right. Yeah, I can't click links. So if you're posting like music and stuff, Yeah. Well, you know, I think the show, it had a lot of dead ends, man, and that's what happens when you rush a show. Dead ends. Okay. Okay, 837 people watching. We are, what, 27 likes away from 600. Do you think we can hit 600 likes, chat? You think it's possible? I don't know if it is, man. So bought one. Hey, DeLaw, man. Early Memorial Day sell-off. Well, remember, most of the world doesn't celebrate Memorial Day, so, and for Americans, it's like 8:40 Eastern, okay, in New York, so. Subconcentrate. Is ADA gonna release Shelly next week? I don't know, Zenchez, but if everyone knows about it, then it's really a non-event. It doesn't matter. It might not affect the price at all. So, alright, y'all. I've got to figure out what to do with music. Okay, so, man, this has been like an awesome freaking homecoming stream. Thank you all for watching. Sorry it's so quiet. We'll figure something out. It'll be good. If it's not, then we'll just go with no music, right? Thanks, Cryptopic, man. You said you'd give me more likes if you could. Very cool. But remember, you're getting closer and closer to a valid pattern if you can break the neckline. Be careful, man. Be very careful. People are giving the beat, Matt, but it's just like I can't wrap my head around it right now while I'm live on the stream because I don't like do it again. Like if you got free music, I can listen to it, but if you get mad at me for not liking it or not wanting to play it, that's like not fair because I'm pretty picky with music. So Chucky Beats, yeah, let me hear them say Chucky Beats every like 5 seconds, AstroTurf. I've been down that road before. I know, dude. All right. Yeah, Nugs was cool about it, Zachary. Thank God, man. Thank God they were cool about it. And thank you all for inquiring about the copyright release or whatever. They did. They retracted it, and, man, life is good again, man. Yeah, Grateful Dead. I mean, all the music I've been playing is good.
Is that a joint?
For Article 4, Subsection 20, we have determined your technical analysis is too high of quality. Therefore, the original organic material that helps people preserve capital and make gains is just too sincere as one has ever done this before. Pogs in chat.
Thanks, fake copyright strike bot, for the 420, dude. Is that a giant? Very cool. Thank you, man. It's true, man. It's just like, it was too nice. He was just trying to help people. Screw him. Get him off of YouTube, man. We need more scammers in this space. But again, man, I understand why it all happened, and I took full responsibility, and I was fully already prepared that I wasn't going to be able to stream for 90 days on YouTube. So I was ready. I'd gotten over it, accepted it, and we were moving on, right? Twitch was weird. Yeah, I felt kind of weird today until Rip, man, whatever Rip said on Twitch, it was just like he read the email. Move on to D-Live? Yeah, right, Michael. Why would I move to D-Live? Oh, yeah, let's go to D-Live. I'm going to go to D-Live. What's the front page look like, dude? There's more people on the crypto tab on Twitch alone than there are, like, people watching on D-Live, dude. It's terrible. Like, no one... Oh, actually, I mean, no, whatever, dude. There's, like, one person. Let's look at this real quick. Oh, copyright strike, man. Look, dude, front page, all right, of the entire thing, dude. 439. Okay, one person who's probably exclusive on D-Live. They brought his whole community over, and he's not growing because no one cares. No one's watching D-Live. All right, it's not a household name. You have to be a household name. Twitch, YouTube, only household names. All right, look at the second person. 131 views. Look at this. WoW Classic Beta, which is like the thing, the hot thing. 122 viewers. 181, 62. They haven't done anything since I got off of D-Live and became exclusive on YouTube. Who's watching? Who's looking for other people? And look, streaming is primarily about video gamers. That's the way it's always been. And it's changing. As you can see, it's changing. But, dude, you're going to D-Live and people are playing video games. Hey, dude, look, man. D-Live Trading School, man. 33 viewers. Whoa, man. There's a lot of people watching. He's probably from his community from wherever he came from, whether it was Twitch or YouTube. It's not because people are actually looking for him to watch him. All right, you understand the issue? You cannot organically grow on platforms this new. You can't. And so they pay people like PewDiePie to bring them over. And PewDiePie's not our audience. PewDiePie's like 12-year-olds, dude. Okay? It's not conventional, it's not practical, and it's not the best thing for this channel. It's not at all. Okay, and if DLive is like, I have to use Restream to use it, I'm not going to use it because Restream's trash. And it's like, it's just scrubby, man. All right, I've been there, done that. Like, I've been on this side. Thanks, man. Eric, for the $2, just email me a lo-fi playlist if interested. Thanks, dude. Yeah, no, I've been through all those, man, right? I've been through all the, non-copyright things before. Okay. You've never even heard of DLive. Most people haven't, and most people never will. Okay. Why don't I? Because I've used Restream for longer than anyone here, and I'll tell you that platform, that application that lets you stream on multiple platforms, it has gone to crap. It's become terrible. I hate it. I don't use it, and I don't want to use it. I want to be exclusive on YouTube, and I think YouTube algos know when I'm exclusive on YouTube or not, because I'm streaming through YouTube's internal servers. But if I'm on Restream, streaming through YouTube, Periscope, Twitch, all these others, I'm streaming through Restream's crappy servers that are causing all kinds of quality issues to my stream. So, I'm Bat Mr. Ether. We did it, man. We freaking did it. Subocta Man PCs. We did it.
The scrub that I've been active with and that is on my radar is RDD/US.
Oh,
Thought I would share and get your thoughts.
Sure, dude.
Cheers, Mitcho.
What's his power level, dude?
Is that a join?
We have determined your copyright strike was prematurely applied due to the influx of part-time scrub pseudo streamers and shill slingers. We have removed your strike because we want to ensure you remain visible to the masses who benefit from your insight.
Thanks, Real Copyright Remove Bot, for the 420 contribution. Kings, man. Thank you, dude. Means a lot. And thank you, Metal Hawk Productions. Octoman PC, thanks for the $2 super chat, Dad. The Ripple Connect in the jar. Thank you, dude. Dude, I don't understand, Octoman. Is it just like because I was streaming on Twitch, you were just like, I'm literally not going to watch Mitch anymore, even though he's going live at the same time on a different platform? I just won't watch him? Is that what it was, Octoman? How come some candles have such large gaps between wicks? Gaps? Not on the crypto market. Not the real crypto market. The futures market, maybe. But why do you see gaps in the stock market or Forex? Is because pre-market and after-hour trading, or the perceived value of the certain asset you're talking about when the market was closed, or the after-hour trading, people sold off, and so when you sell off when the market closed, you gap down. That's it. You found Twitch to be really laggy. It kept crashing. That's weird, dude. I've never had an issue with Twitch crashing. You might be your internet, dude, because like I know they don't let you adjust to 480, or if your internet sucks wherever you are in this world, like Twitch won't let you like change the resolution and stuff, which is really nice with YouTube. It allows that. So, and you really just want to be where your audience is, and my audience is here. I cannot organically grow on anywhere else but YouTube for the most part. It's gonna be hard to break 218 to 222 support on Ethereum, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty far away. That's $20+ away right now. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin just for a second. I don't know. I'm just kind of like chilling around, hanging out with y'all. There's some good chat engagement, good questions. Just hanging out with y'all, dude. Oh my God, I'm live streaming, but who cares? Okay, third time to cover the market. We've done that for the past 2+ hours on multiple platforms, and now we're back, man. 4 hour, you're just kind of doing nothing, right? Rec Connect on Twitch. That's right, Chris Easton, dude. I can't believe we got up to like almost 100 freaking subs on Twitch, man. That's so amazing. Y'all are incredible. Seriously. What's up, Porch View? You don't think we see below 233 again? I mean, it just depends on Bitcoin, man. If Bitcoin wants to rally at a scrubby over or support it from May 12th, okay, so be it. Ethereum's going to rally too. But the big question is, what was once a support will become resistance. 7760 will be a resistance that we must break, and we're below the moving average on the 4. That's not good, man. You don't want to be below the moving averages for long. Okay. What's up, William Cast? He said, yo, popped up on my recommended. LOL, I have a solution to your no music. When did you sub today, William Cast? Is this the first time you've ever seen this stream, dude? Let me know. 7680, game over, Bears. Yeah, dude. Yeah, game over, man. Okay, let's hear it, dude. I'm waiting for the... Remember, I know it sucks, dude. I gotta change that. Cabroni 2012, thanks for the follow on Twitch, dude. Sorry, man, we're not there anymore. We're back on YouTube. It's so dumb. It won't say it because it's off by 1 cent. Okay. Mitch, we will be dropping slowly through May 30th. Next trend reversal is September 3rd, 2019. Wow, you're calling the trend reversal to the day. I call bullcrap. Mark your calendar since you're still a skeptic. Dude, that's so weird. You're saying the next trend reversal is exactly September 3rd, 2019. That's weird. I was like, no one does that. Like, that's just not, it's not going to do that. It will not. Hey, Alexa, remind me.
What's the reminder for?
AAP said the Bitcoin trend reversal is going to be September 3rd, 2019.
When should I remind you?
September 3rd, 2019.
When on September 3rd should I remind you?
6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you September 3rd at 6 p.m.
There you go, AAP. We'll see if you're still around, man. I'm sure you will be.
Hanging around. Must have alligator blood. So glad you're back on YouTube and that has done right by you. So happy that you're able to get back to business as usual.
Bring the tank, baby. Thanks, Zachary, man. What? 1776? Thanks, man, for the quite American contribution. USA, baby. We did it. Zachary, what you think, man? We got a reminder set up. Oh, okay, yeah, lost your guns. No, it's August 4th. It's not September 3rd, man. Okay, like, whatever, dude. Like, act like you literally know exactly when the date is. Okay, that's pretty pretentious, man. Like, to say that. Like, that's not really what TA is about, but okay. We'll see how perfect it is. All right? Remember, BitConnect 2.0 is a huge scam. Do not touch it unless you want to lose all your money. If you're a new market participant, you've never been in crypto before, BitConnect was a huge scam in 2017. Ponzi scam. All right? They're coming back out of the woodworks because they expect you to not know about it, what happened in the past. Now you know about it. All pretty much 800 of you in here destroy BitConnect 2.0. Screw BitConnect 2.0. It's a loser scam. All right? Don't ever touch it. If you value your money that you work for every day, don't touch BitConnect 2.0. PSA. Public service announcement. S-Coin service announcement, okay? 7-day delta. Why are you saying September 3rd? Why don't you say September 3rd through something, right? That's what I'm saying, man. Like, you're the one writing. You can write it any way you want, right? So you can't tell me, but you said the date. Like, if you say the date, then I'm be like, okay, you're giving the exact date. So, I mean, that's like not my fault for interpreting and reading what you said as exact. Okay. That's now how BitConnect 2.0 is going to work, Random. What do you mean now? That's now. You saying that's not how BitConnect is going to work? Of course, dude, they don't get another chance, Random. Not here. Not in this space. If I'm an influencer, they will not get a second chance, Random. Okay? I don't really care how it's going to work. Those losers are not going to get any of your money in here, okay, unless you decide to do it. But I'm telling you, stupid idea to even get involved with this crap, okay? Yeah, it probably is a random. Who cares? But either way, if it we don't really know, so we're now preparing for it, okay? It's prepared. We're prepared. That's it. What if it's different this time? Yeah, that's what they say about communism, dude. Okay, socialism. Check out Neo's coin. That's an actual name. Well, good God, it's not gonna be on TradingView. Is it even on CoinMarketCap? It's called Neo's coin. Wow, that's like ABBV. Remember ABBV? It's like out of the UAE. It's a crypto called like Alibaba, but it has no affiliation with Alibaba, and somehow it won a court case and could keep the name Alibaba because Alibaba, the company, said you can't use it, and then it like exploded, like went up like 200% in a day before it dumped. Okay. Okay, well, yeah, there you go, John, I guess, man, right? Everyone's triggered now. Everyone's triggered, okay? If you're in here and you're an advocate for BitConnect 2.0, get out, go to someone else's channel, okay? Yeah, of course it's a scam, and no one in here is going to become victim to it because we're going to talk about it every effing day. It's going to be here forever. Like, until Bitcoin hits 10K, then we're just going to move it up a little bit, all right? That's it. He did a good investigation on it. That's great, man. What's up, Lord Baltimore, dude? It's really weird, man. No music. I'm serious. It's like, what? The world is not... What is it? The world is not anymore as it once was. Yes. I'm so very thrilled. I am excited.
Is that a join?
Everyone who is new to the channel or been along for the ride for the game of coins, Mitch will not steer you wrong when it comes to preserving capital. Don't get wrecked.
Don't get wrecked, dude. Don't get wrecked. Thank you, Knowledge Bot, for the 420, dude. Really appreciate it. Thanks. Oh my god. The real BitConnect hasn't even been tried yet, man. You just gotta give it a shot, man. Well, yeah, it must be safe 0. Exactly. It's like 4D chess, isn't it? 0, man. I'm sure it's probably not even real. It's probably a bullcrap, and it's not even gonna be anything, right? Okay, man. Sorry, dude. I should make my own beats. Okay. Beatbox champion, right? Dreaded Trader. That's right, Leo AV. That's right. I'll be crap forever. There is no BitConnect 2.0. It's for sale. That's on their site. Yeah, man, I can't wait to buy BitConnect.io, man. Heck yeah. GSXR did an investigation. He determined it was a scam. Thanks, dude, for the investigatory work, man. Thanks.
Is that a join?
BitConnect 2.0 is a scam. Marlos Cato's out.
Manos Katos, man. Dude, they said Katos. It's Katos, man. Thanks, dude, for the 420.
Bullish cipher on etc/USDT on the daily. I'm seeing harmonics everywhere. What is wrong with me?
Reap. I mean, it's like the same thing. I mean, oh, the wick works this time, dude, right? The wick worked. I mean, do we go to etc. if you want? Etc. Coin Connect. Well, this one looks so similar to ADA, doesn't it? Yeah, downtrend, you broke out. Okay. I mean, clean it up a little bit. Spring cleaning. From the high point to low point, we had a 786 on the wick. Never exceeded 618 for long on the candle closes. So, dude, I mean, like, this looks like a discernible. So you can see there's a swing low here. They're both, right? But, oh, man, it's the major one, dude. That's the question. They're both this. You can see both of these on the daily, right? As a swing low, a real swing low. So I don't know, man. So 65%. I mean, that's. Oh, that actually works on the wick. 786. But dude, it's like the question is. I think we're right here. I think we're good. Real discernible swing low. I think you might have retraced too far. And if you use the candle closes, it doesn't work, right? It's too close, right? Watch if you use just the candle closes. They're too similar. Look, it's like 102%. It's not going to work. So you have to use the wicks for your idea here. Okay, man? And so, again, if you want to give it a shot, man, go for it. Knock yourself out. But, I don't know, man. You got a long way to go if that's going to be the case.
How the hell is Craig Wright claiming copyrights over Bitcoin when BTC has a MIT X11 license? Reminds me of the guy who tried to copyright the moon.
Autumn MPCs, you're not asking the right guy. I have no idea. Alright, I'm sure chat probably has some really good insight on how he's being able to do it. Is it real, though? Is Craig Wright now like the real owner of Bitcoin or something, chat? Can someone talk to me about this? Okay. I just need to know. Because it's weird. I don't think anyone should have a copyright on Bitcoin. No one should. That's the whole point of Bitcoin, right? And who is the authority to give copyright on Bitcoin? Like, how would they know? It's so stupid, man. Doesn't even make sense. 90% in Doge. Alright, station. Have fun with that. Okay. Dude, I've been live like almost 3 hours now total with the old Twitch stream and this stream now. So I don't even know, man. I think it's 7:55 in here.
Is that a joint?
This is a test of the gravity ball bounce in YouTube. Chulin wanted to ensure we could fill this jar and that we could straw poll in a hat. Let's do this.
Don't feel me feel hungry. Thanks, Gravity Ball Bounce, dude. Yeah, be careful, man. Those smaller contributions, they're subject to lower levels of gravity and might break out. Right, dude? Anyway, thanks, man. That's so awkward, dude. No music. It's seriously just like this, man.
Please clap.
Get us so you can find music. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah. What is it? CW? Craig Wright is like a phony YouTube copyright striker. Lost your gun. Yeah, really, dude. Yeah. I want to copyright strike like all of Bitcoin now. Here's my reason. Like, he shouldn't. Dude, it doesn't even make sense, dude. Does that mean, what does that mean? Like, if he gets the rights, and who is going to give it to him? It's a gift from Satoshi. The group of individuals or the individual itself, that person that gave it to us, they're gone, man. All right? It's not him. It's not Craig Wright. Not everyone can publish a copyright on Bitcoin. We're the only ones that can prove it and fight copyright infringement in court. Yeah, I'm going to make my own music, dude. Okay? Yeah. When the stream ends, I'm going to make my own music. Yeah. He was definitely around the core Bitcoin crew as early as 2011. However, he's not Satoshi. Well, there it is, man. It doesn't matter. He shouldn't have no right. I don't care if he was around the core crew. He shouldn't get the right to Bitcoin or whatever. Okay, so. Charities, I don't even know, man. I don't even know how it works. Okay, it's stupid. It's all, copyright's all stupid now. Like everywhere, not just on Bitcoin. Okay. What's up, RS Nerd 008? Do you know 007? Was he also a nerd, man? I don't think he was. Super Chad, man. Oh yeah, I could play nature background forest music. Yeah, I could do that. I certainly could. Alright, Bitcoin closes 60 minutes with a hammer. Or a bullish inside bar. Or no, it's not bullish. It's a bullish pin bar. Bitcoin 60 minute. Alright, let's show you real quick. So, bearish convergence, pin bar, bullish pin bar, and you might reverse the upside to back test 7760. Let's see what we're made of at 7760. Alright. Found that Gore, but no, he invented the internet, dude. Remember? Jay Watt, you got a source on that? Dude, I've seen copyright too many times. Also, Angel World Todd. That's right. He should copyright himself. I'm gonna copyright Craig copyright, alright? He should just legally change his last name to Wright, copyright. It's not to the copyright people to prove he didn't make the white paper. Well, we know he didn't make the white paper, right? So, and he's trying to prove that he did make the white paper? Is that what he's trying to do or something? What's up, Kenneth M? Thanks for the sub, man, on YouTube. Thank you so much, dude. Extraterrestrials, yeah. Okay, man. I don't even know. Alright, so, yep, Bitcoin breaking the upside, 76.75, man. Oh my god, dude, we're gonna do it, man. We're going for it, man. Hey, that's a good idea. Julian Soto said, theory, tinfoil hat. Craig Wright copyrights Bitcoin paper to bait the real Satoshi and revealing himself or herself or themselves. Yes. Dude, am I crazy? But does anyone, if anyone watches Billions, did a new episode not come out this weekend? Is that true? Because I looked and it's like it wasn't there. It's like new episodes like next week. You're gonna copyright, respect the TA. Good luck, dude. Because when you try to do it, you might be surprised with what's going on. All right. What is this, dude? Yeah, for years he's claimed to be Satoshi Nakamoto, right? Okay. So, the Kleiman family is now suing Craig Wright for Kleiman's share of the massive Bitcoin holdings. Wright claims came out with their efforts. Okay. Core docket. I guess we'll post this, Logan, dude. Too hungry to get into this. Alright. Yeah, I posted this link right here. So you can talk, you know, this is like going into everything. The lawsuit. Here it is. The court has ordered Dr. Wright to identify all public addresses that he owned as of December 31st, 2013, or if he cannot do so, explain why identification is unduly burdensome. Dr. Wright does not have a complete list of public addresses that he owned as of any date. To create such a list would be unduly burdensome. A Bitcoin public address is an identifier of 26 to 35 alphanumeric characters. Such addresses are not intended to be memorized and remembered for a period of nearly a decade. However, Dr. Wright knows that he mined the first 70 blocks on the blockchain. Because the public addresses associated with the blocks are publicly available, Dr. Wright is able to identify the public addresses associated with the first 70 blocks of the blockchain and provides those public addresses below. Don't think there's something blank. Dr. Wright did not keep track of which Bitcoin blocks he mined. Dr. Wright does not know of any of the other Bitcoin public addresses. All right. There you go, dude. Something. All right. Flip man. We'll get back to that some other time. Okay. Good looking hockey, maybe, man. Maybe give it a shot, okay? Maybe not, though. Okay, we don't know. We know the technology. What your adult entertainment money's going to do, because it's the devil. Just kidding. That's nice, man. Look, dude. Garlic House, XRP 589. Yummy. What is that? Oh my god, bumping around.
Forgotten or ignored? Sad face.
Rick B? Oh, dude, just forgot, man, my bad. Something happened, I guess. I was looking at it, had it up on my chart, and then, like, I looked at it, I'm like, right, like, whatever. But, what are you saying? This looks like you're talking about the US dollar? Okay, looks like everything else, doesn't it? Major tremor swing on the daily to the low. You hit a 23% retrace 3 times and failed. Okay, yep. Golden cross has occurred. It occurred May 5th, earlier in the month. Not making out. I mean, you are, I guess, technically making higher candle closes, but look at the bearish divergence involved. It's terrible. Look at the high here. Higher high. Highest high. I guess it was convergence, but you're neutral on the RSI. Sure, man. Do you got anything for us, man? Like, I mean, let's go from your low point to high point here. You've retraced 50% of the way from the low to high. Did not hit 382. If you were ever to make a common retrace, okay, ever, and we can try to plot a channel or something, I guess. Which I have no idea. See, like, is that it? I don't know, dude. All right, I really don't. It doesn't make much sense. It looks, whatever. It's red coin, dude. Not much action. So, if it was to make a common retrace, and I have no idea if it will, it's red coin, dude. I don't even know how many people trade this thing every day. Probably not many people. We're talking about 26% of 1 penny to 37% of 1 penny. That is the golden zone. You have not hit it, but you got close. All right, so we'll see if 1 and 2 and 3 in the top holds, man. I don't know, dude. Best of luck to you. Okay. On red coin. What's up, Todd Jones? Sorry, man. I'm like losing focus now because I'm really hungry. I need an elixir. Yeah, maybe I need an elixir, dude. It's a good point. Okay. Anyway, so all right, let's do a rundown real quick. I gotta get some food, man. I gotta figure out some music. Rigby, thanks, man, but sorry also for missing that. I did not mean to. Okay. Gravity Ball Bounce, Optimum PCs, Rick Schmitz, BitConnect 2.0 Scambot, KnowledgeBot, Zachary Schneider, thank you, dude. AAP, Chris Easton, Optimum PCs, Real Copyright Remove Bot, Rick, Eric, Fake Copyright Strike Bot, Rick Schmitz, Zachary again, B Moore, Eric Hale, AJ Productions, EMD, Pumping Thighs, Manimal GG, Drew B, Clifton, thanks, man. Welcome. Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome to the community. Crispy Bacon, Drew C, Ed McCracken, Kevin Phillips, Tyler, at Tyler, Mr. Shapaman, Ace G, Chris M, Mr. Mystery, It's Me, Shane Overton, Brookalinos, AKMK, Stephen Wright, Johann Strauss, Greg Williams, dude, thank you, man. Carlos Martinez, Live Free, Hink, Draligus Rex, Brookalinos again, Logos Free again, Kaj P, Brian Nowick, Manimal again, Pablo Dude. Alright, and now that's it. Thank y'all so much, and please feel free to hit that like button, that bell, that sub on the way out. I will be back tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern. All right, the road to 10,000 commences. We're gonna get there, man. So let's figure out a way to get to 10,000 subs, chat. All right, this community, we will be in quintuple digits soon enough, man. All right, with your help. So I'll be back tonight. Until next time, respect the TA.
Might as well ask, why is the tree good? Why is the sunset good? Why are boobs good?
Price gonna dip.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.